Dum bum bum bum. Bum 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 bum. It's the beginning of another episode where I just kill the time at the beginning of the episode. Why am I killing this time? Did you watch Pour Me Two earlier today? Making a boat, hooray! That's what Pour Me Two was doing. But now we're gonna make some RTX maps. Yeah, that's right. It's RTX map time. I hope you're ready to make some holiday Minecraft maps. Okay, you don't want to hear me sing anymore. I already can tell. Those ad breaks are over. You are probably all thinking to yourself, why am I here? Why is it not Saturday night? Why are we not playing Among Us? Well, the answer is we're not playing Among Us because it's not Saturday night. It's Friday night. You had your days of the week mixed up. Tonight is, in fact, yet another Minecraft night. And it would normally be Minecraft speedrun night. However, it's not Minecraft speedrun night because this is the month of RTX adventure map development Minecraft style. Kids aren't around tonight. It's just me. I don't know if Cheppy will be joining us. I'm hoping he will, mostly because I have no idea. Ignore everything you guys are seeing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm clicking all the weird buttons. I'm clicking on all the wrong things. Stop looking at my screen. It's general chat. I don't know why I came to... Why did I look at Discord? I don't know. Hey, Pour Me. How's it going? I was singing about you just a minute ago. You may have missed it. It. Yeah, is that all you heard was the it? Hello, Charles. Thanks for redeeming Put on the Hat.
No, I heard you were talking about me.
No, I wasn't.
I don't know.
I wasn't talking about you. I was singing about you. I was singing about you.
I missed that. I'll have to go back and watch.
Yeah, it was. I was singing about how people were watching you make a boat earlier today, and if they weren't watching you make a boat, then what were they doing with their day? Exactly.
Making a boat.
Exactly. It was kind of like that. It had some rhyme and some jams and. Oh man, it's been an exciting 24 hours since we last streamed. Last night, and I feel like maybe I should put this on the screen. Like, oh, that's probably why I went to the Discord. Last night, after stream, we raided. Who did we raid? We raided somebody.
Was it not Beta?
Did we raid Beta last night?
Was yesterday the Game Awards?
Yesterday was the Game Awards, right?
Yeah.
Well, if yesterday was the Game Awards, then I hope you stuck to the end, because if you stuck to the end of the Game Awards, then you saw what I saw, and I feel like this deserves like a reaction video, because it was by far and away the best announcement of the night. And oh no, don't start playing. No, you guys probably recognize that music. No, stop. No. Where is this on my computer? Oh, Minecraft, what have you done to my computer?
Somewhere.
It is, but it's not on. It's literally every window on my screen is minimized. Maximize. There. Okay. Hold on. Pause. Stop. Oh. I can't believe I ruined the surprise by simply playing the music. That was horrible. Okay.
What music?
Yeah, you didn't hear it.
I was just humming.
You were just humming. You didn't hear anything. This was the most exciting announcement of the Video Game Awards last night. Enjoy. You'll get my reaction to it. That's Beta 64. That's our castle. That's the castle. The Minecraft castle. That's Beta 64 jumping around. Just pointing this out. That's Beta 64, also jumping around. That's the golf ball from that speedrun game I can't beat. That's Beta 64 flying. That's a Minecraft minecart, I think. I'm not 100% certain. In a crystal cavern. But that right there, that's me. That's me. You can tell because of the red hat. It's true. That's me. Okay, let's just keep watching. I saw the word Jones, too. This is marbles. This was on the real awards last night, Alex Jag. I think it looked like it was on the real awards. I may be incorrect, but it looked like it. Hey, Spajamlack. That's Sonic. That's Beta. Ooh, Beta. You can tell because of the cattail. That's Sonic again. Okay, now, be careful about this. This is scary. This is Fall Guys. You can tell because it's a guy and he's falling. Oh, wait. Did you see me? Did you see me? Hold on. We gotta rewind just a little bit.
Wait, where were you?
Right. See that? I'm right there.
Left.
I'm right there.
Oh yeah.
I'm right there. I can tell. And I think that might be David V. Kimball, and I don't, it might, yeah, I don't know. It's hard to say. But I'm pretty sure that's me.
One of them was Bandrew or something, and the other one was Kimball.
Yep. Oh,
Donald?
might be Kimball Donald. Oh, there's me again. See, there's me. You can tell. Hey, Tart Chipmunk, welcome in. See, Ninja Weasel says it won game in a game. Yeah. Okay. So here's the thing, though. If you stop the video right there, you miss the most important part, because you know how these things work, right? Exactly. December 21st, you guys. December 21st. That's like 10 days from now. We finally get the sequel to the game of the year, Cheese Nips Rescue. We get Cheese Nips Rescue 2. Exactly. All these people are going to be playing that game that night. You know it, Ninja Weasel. You know it. Okay. Now I got to figure out how to get back into Minecraft, because during all that chaos, I closed Minecraft, and now we need to get back to some holiday. We know Christmas is only like 13 days away, but this is closer. Cheese Nip Rescue 2. Cheese Nip Rescue 2, December 21st.
It says it in the title of the video.
The date? Are you saying
the Game Awards.
The game? Yeah, it says Cheese Nip. Yeah, hold on, I'll put it back on the screen for Alex Jag. Cheese Nips Rescue 2, the Game Awards 2020. It was on some version of the Game Awards. I don't know which version, but it was clearly on some version of the Game Awards last night. I think it might have been the made-up Beta 64 Dream Awards, but it's still a 2020 awards show that I believe has merit, because it determined that Cheese Nips Rescue 1 was Game of the Year 2020, which it's far better than any other, look at those other made-up awards shows, like the one that was also on last night, the one where they made that Life of Pi 2 game, the Game of the Year. I think that's what it was, wasn't it? I might have the name wrong. Life of Pi.
Life of Pi 2?
Yeah, wasn't that Game of the Year instead of Animal Crossing? I might have something wrong there in the name.
I thought
it wasn't Life of Pi.
The Life of Pi was a movie about the tiger.
Oh, was that the
the kid?
Oh, they didn't. I thought the video game was about being in the ocean.
The Last of Us 2 part. No, The Last of Us Part 2.
That'd be the same movie, wouldn't it? Because it's still just a boy and his tiger, and in this movie, in part 2, the tiger eats the boy because he got hungry. No?
I don't know.
No. Okay, maybe wrong. New Smash character, please. Show the trailer for him. That doesn't even come close to Cheese Nips Rescue 2 in the scheme of important things on this channel.
Except maybe Mario died, but I mean.
Oh, yeah, actually, you do make a good point. Hold on. Smash Bros. VG reveal. I don't want to spend too much time on this. We've already lost. We lost. Oh, hold on. Can't play that audio.
10 minutes.
We're not gonna play. We're not gonna play all YouTube videos tonight. And now I have to close RTX again because it makes all my YouTube videos choppy. Can't do that. Okay, so here. I'm not gonna play the whole thing. I'm just gonna fast forward here just a little bit to right. Wait, right here. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at Lincoln. This is what happens in your Smash Brothers game. Your new character in Smash Brothers, right there. Look at Mario is dead. He's dead. They killed him. Link is now in the room. You can't tell though because he's wearing green. See, lean into the camera here. See, he's invisible. You can't tell.
Oh, that's funny.
Okay, but here, what do you think? They killed Mario. I'm not gonna unpause it. Why would I unpause it? He's dead. He's been stabbed with a sword, right in the heart. Right? I mean, look at that. He's clearly dead. I mean, if you unpause, if you continue to watch, you'll not see he's still dead. He's still dead. Okay, he's still dead. Keep it unpaused. Oh, okay, he missed. It's okay. Mario's alive. Oh, Link says he knew that. He's disappointed. Unpause again. No, we can't watch this on stream. That you're gonna have to make Mom let you use YouTube for once in your life. Okay, bye.
Wait, I'm a creeper.
You're a creeper. You are a creeper. Now I have to get back into Minecraft again. This whole stream is a disaster. This is true. Link rarely falls for any of my gimmicks. That kid is too smart. He's hung around me far too much. I sure try. That kid. I'm not even in the game yet, Spajamlack, and you're already trying to blow me up. Global resources reset. What does that mean? Boom.
Oh, I got that too. I don't know what that was.
I don't know either.
But the restart pack seems to be here, so.
No,
I
my
guess it's
stream.
fine.
My stream's a disaster, Ninja Weasel. Are you streaming tonight? Are you gonna come join us and do some holiday dev? Do you want to build a puzzle? It is Friday.
Do you wanna build a puzzle?
Yes. Come on, let's go and play.
Are you gonna opt for me?
You can come and make a puzzle on a server this holiday.
Or me?
Thanks
You
for
just
kicking
got
me.
I didn't.
I opted
Did
you.
Justin kick you?
I didn't kick you. I opted you.
All
I got
right,
kicked.
clip it.
Okay, well,
Clip it.
maybe I kicked you. No, I opted you.
Opted?
Opted you.
Opted-
I opted you.
Opted into kicking him
You
out of the
opted
server.
to. Oh,
No, I didn't opt him.
You didn't opt him.
I hit operator and then I hit kick player.
ah,
I'm betting that's what the replay will show. Okay, so here's where we left off. For those of you who were here last night, we now have 2 puzzles in place. We have puzzle number 1. Oh, I should have updated the skins. Oh, well. We have puzzle number 1 in the house, which is the easy puzzle, the gimme puzzle. And then we have puzzle number 2, which ends at the top of this tree that needs a new star because that's not the one I intended for it to be. So that button right there is button number 2. So we need to make button number 3, and we need to get button number 1 and button number 2 working. And I don't know how we want to do that, Chippy. Do you want to focus? Do you want me to, like, do you want to come show me how to make buttons work? Or what? How do we approach this programming disaster?
It's not a disaster.
It is the moment I touch it. Everything I touch is now broken. Look at, oh, no, wait, now it's a real program. You've destroyed it all. It was perfectly.
Starting from scratch.
We're starting from, okay. Okay. You're scaring me, but, I mean, couldn't we have used this for reference? It's been destroyed.
No.
No more references. We're going to have to recreate the wheel. Humanity, look at the glow in here. It's like the Matrix. That white room, you know, with where Neo hangs out. All the yeah, null reference exception. Oh no, that's not good either. Are you moving the platform?
No, I'm trying to load it in. Load commands.
Load it in.
Hold on.
Please hold while we experience technical difficulties. Should the ride vehicle disengage, panic quickly. Hey, look it. You didn't delete it all. There's a backup copy. Good job, Cheppy. You learned about backups, and you learned to keep backups. Backups are an important thing, everybody. You should always have backups of your code.
Save.
Cheppy's going to restore from backup.
Well, so I moved that other one over there yesterday. Then I completely forgot about it and started making changes to the old one. Like, oops.
I see.
Command load.
You know, it probably
Hey,
wouldn't
there it goes.
probably wouldn't be a bad idea to actually have a backup of this. So, like, could we paste another copy of it, like, I don't know, deep in a hole, like way down here or something?
I mean,
Backups are good things, right?
yeah.
There's got to be a cave under here, right? I'm looking. Haven't found one yet. I picked the one. Oh, here, you can put it. You can put it outside the world, right? Like down here. Does that work?
No,
No, you can't. Build.
cannot.
Well, there was no cave inside the world, but wherever it fits, I guess. Also, anybody know how to get back into the world? Oh, there it is. I see the hole. Ugh. I don't fit anymore. Santa group.
Can I not?
Here, I'll put a light down here.
Is
Just
that
so.
capital?
Can I not put a light in Bedrock either? What's going on? Oh, there we go. There.
Hey, there it goes. All right, I got a copy.
Nice. Oops. This is just in case anybody falls down this hole ever again. You don't want them to, you know, not realize. They'll see the lights and they'll know that there's danger. Okay. So over here we have the code, and I'm gonna try not to break any of it. So we need to start with how the game is played. So what does this start button do?
Which one?
The one labeled
This
start.
one?
Yeah.
The one labeled start. Okay, so this gives the closest player the tag name timer.
Okay. So
the tag means that the timer, or like the clock has started for them.
okay. So how? Let me come over here. How do we get them onto the scoreboard? Which is that this button way over here? Nope, that's task 4 detect. Is that this button over here? Reset boards? No.
So how do you get them on the scoreboard? You set their player value to the scoreboard timer, set it to 0 or something like that. And that's what this reset one does over here.
Oh, so this is...
So if you hit that reset button, it'll add you to the timer with the score 0.
Well, hold on. I'm almost there. How do we... To daisy chain these, do we just have to make them touch one another?
Yeah. So like, say we wanted to, like, you want one start button. We just take this one and we put it back here. Oh, wrong way. Oh, it's facing the wrong way. I see.
So these things are directional.
Like that.
I don't know.
You see the little arrow on them?
I don't know enough about blocks. Now, wait a second. You just destroyed it. Does that mean you destroyed the code?
Yes, but if you control middle click, you save the command block to your hotbar with the NVT data.
But can you only do that once?
Huh?
Okay, I'm control clicking. And then I'm control clicking again. So I now have a... I'm just checking. I now have a start. And I have a reset. Okay. So they're directional and they flow like that. Okay. Next question.
So the first one we have on the left side set to unconditional. So conditional is the condition means the command block before it has to succeed in order for it to run the command.
Okay.
And since it's the first one in the chain, we want it to be unconditional because there's no command block in front of it.
And then the needs redstone allows us to use the button?
Yep.
Okay.
Need redstone allows us to use the button.
Okay, that makes sense.
And then the second command block here, we want to change the type to a chain. So it's gonna take the like the start command block is going to trigger the reset command block
Start command
with
block.
the chain. So like I could just keep putting like chain command blocks out,
Mm-hmm.
and as long as if they're unconditional, they're just like gonna all run at the same time.
Okay, so that's
But if
this
they're
one.
conditional,
Yep.
so you can tell they're conditional with the little like notch taken out of the bottom, like the so there's instead of like a square back end, this one has like a concave
Okay.
on the actual texture, but that doesn't really matter.
What's this previous output thing? Is that just logging the data of whatever happens?
Yep.
Okay.
That's logging the data. What happens?
Does that
so,
put it? Does
yeah,
that put it? Does that put it out to the screen so that like at some point we're gonna go around and shut all those off, kind of thing?
we can do that with a game rule.
Oh.
It's gonna keep it in the command block no matter what.
Ah, okay. So it's not going to the screen or anything.
Yeah, no. We can take it once we're done with all the command blocks. We can basically tell the game like, okay, don't put the command block output into chat
Okay.
unless we have like a command that says like announce to chat, stuff like that.
Okay. So next question. So these two. Wait, aren't they backwards?
No.
Adds timer. Then we reset the timer. Okay, perfect. And then, but don't we need to? Don't we need to? Oh, we want to. Can I try it?
It's not gonna work, but you can try it.
I mean, it's kind of working.
It does half of it.
What half? What? So I'm seeing two things. One, I see it counting. I see it double counting for some reason. I also see. But what? Okay, so I'm gonna try it again. I'm just gonna hit it again. Boom. Oh, now it's triple counting. Does it need to clear all my tags first?
This is interesting. Why is it triple counting?
I'm gonna hit stop a few more times.
I'm standing on it, but I hit stop for you, and it should stop.
There, it did
There it
stop.
goes.
I thought-
Okay, so hit the reset button. I think something got messed up. So this one's supposed to be set to always active instead of needs redstone. But I think the button might have triggered it anyways, but that's okay.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
Now it's 5 counting.
Oh, I know why.
Is it because I have 5 tags?
I hope not.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
Slash. I don't think that's possible. I think
Oh.
it's because we have multiple copies of this specific command. Like we have all of these, and then we have the one that's like underneath, and then we have the one that's over in the other village.
So we need to
So
eliminate all the clocks. So we
Yes.
can't have a backup clock, is what you're saying.
No. We can have it. We can just set it to like
A different tag.
needs redstone or something.
Well, in the interest of my destructive tendencies, can I go to town and destroy?
You can destroy the one in the town.
Yes. Mad Spike.
It's like a Chewbacca noise.
That might be the closest thing I've done to a Chewbacca noise. That wasn't bad. Uh-oh, I just dropped an
Yeah.
anvil on somebody. I hope you're okay down there. Destruction. You know, there's probably a faster way to do this with a command, but it's
This
just not
sounds
as
fun.
satisfying. I may have accidentally hit a button.
That's alright.
I don't think Ninja Weasel ever answered the question. He could come and build a puzzle if he wanted. I'm just
I think
saying.
he's playing on MCOT.
Oh, is he on the other world working on this tree? I should show him my
That
tree.
looked like ding. Did you hit?
What?
Oh, I know what you did. It's alright. It's okay.
Okay. This is how I spend my Friday nights, destroying Cheppy's hard work. No. It's all in good fun, guys. It needed to be done. You know, our village got a lot darker. I'd just like to point that out. That was providing a nice white glow for the village. Oh well. We can add lights later. Okay. Back out to the places you're not allowed to be. Okay. I'm back. My timer is still going up by 15s. And by 15s, I mean 4.
Here, hold on. Hit the reset button, not the start button.
Reset. Well, that's weird. I hit that button and it's still going up. I'm going to hit it again.
Okay, set at P. Oh, I know.
Hello,
Okay.
Spajamlack. I like your outfit. Uh-oh, Spajamlack hit another button.
Stop hitting buttons. Now I have it too.
That's because Spajamlack hit the button. Spajamlack, we need another puzzle. Do you have a puzzle for us? Do you have a puzzle? Uh-oh, sticky keys. We need something that's not parkour. We need like I don't know. What's our next puzzle? Also, my phone just made a noise.
Oh, it's the one downstairs doing that.
I've
This
got a
is
puzzle idea.
confusing me.
What's your puzzle
Build it.
idea?
A combo lock.
Combo lock.
Mm-hmm.
But how would you give them the combo?
That's what I don't know.
What the heck?
Because I
Stop
know.
playing the sound.
Stop playing the sound.
I fixed it.
Isn't this kind of eerie? Underwater torches, guys. They're the way of the future. Get it? It's a sea lantern. That'd be interesting. Parkour to an NPC that gives you the code? I mean, maybe. Or maybe we make like a dad who's asleep. And he says like, the garage code is... Except it might not be a garage. So you just have to talk to an NPC who's sleeping.
Execute scoreboard.
Which would be dangerous because you're supposed to stay away from the NPCs because they... I don't know. That mechanic may be gone from the game. So you just have to talk to somebody. Hey, Toy, welcome on in. Hope you're having a good day. Welcome to our stream. We're currently working on a map. We're stuck. Well, stuck isn't the right word. Cheppy is debugging something at the moment where the clock counts by high numbers, and I am putting torches in places they don't belong because I think lanterns look good. Not torches, lanterns. I think lanterns look good in RTX. What about you? Do you like lanterns? I mean, look at that glow. Isn't that... I mean, here. We've got... That's the reflection of the water. I'm stuck underwater again. Let's go look at Santa's house. I haven't seen Strawberry for a few days. Have you guys seen Strawberry? Strawberry okay? Oh, I went the wrong way. I guess we'll look at the tree. I don't think my tree's quite as big as Ninja Weasel's, but it's got good size. I think it's well lit. Good decorations. You know, walk up here. And it's got a puzzle built in. You know, you come in here, got to look around a little bit, see if you can find your way out. You know, there's a ladder, and then we go up a little more. Walk around a little bit, see if you can find your way out. Oh, there's steps. You know, see if you can find your way out. Oh, there's a trap door right there we can use, but don't tell anybody. You know, find our way out over here maybe, and people are going to know.
Driving myself crazy.
You're going to know all the secrets. I'm going to climb this ladder. Now we just got to go the rest of the... Oh, no. Is this impossible? Did I make something impossible? That jump might not be possible. I don't know. I don't think that jump's possible. That's not cool. Let's fix that. There. Now it's possible, right? I think it's because of the Christmas lights.
Where was the jump? What's the jump?
This corner jump. Try to make that corner jump.
Oh. That's kind of hard.
Oh, you can do it.
I flipped the trapdoor up, but it's a little bit too hard, I think.
Yeah, I tend to agree. Even with the trapdoor up, that's a little too hard. So, there we go. I'll just do that and that. I think that'll be
This
fine.
one's hard too. Oh yeah, yeah. There you go.
That one's not so bad, right? Nice.
Bonk.
Okay. Are we ready to go back to learning?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I don't think it's that way. I went the wrong way.
I don't know where it is. I lose all my sense of direction when I teleport.
It's this way. There we go. Okay. So, I'm going to go push the button again. You ready? Let's find out.
Which
Boom.
one?
I pushed the start button. It's still counting by twos.
Still counts up by 2. Okay, maybe I didn't. I probably didn't stop the one down there.
Interesting. And even
What?
if I hit the reset button, it's not resetting.
Reset button doesn't work. Oh, it's cut off on the stream for some reason.
Yeah, look at that. Wonder if I can fix that.
Test for add a tag timer. And this one is conditional set add 1 timer now 16. Needs redstone. Ah. What the heck? Why is it still counting up by 2?
There, this way it won't be cut off. Boom. Locked in place.
Slash tag. Oh, okay, so the slash tag command allows you to see and edit the tags that are assigned to someone. So if you do slash tag your name list, you can see all the tags you have.
Has 1 tags. Timer.
Yep. So then if you do slash tag remove timer. So now it'll stop counting. And you can hit this one to reset your score.
Okay.
So it puts it to 0. Okay, get rid of those. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that.
Should I try it again?
Not yet.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Do one of those. Ah! There's a command block that's making a noise. I can't figure out where it is.
That beep noise?
Yeah.
I'll try to listen for it. I'll let you know what I find.
Do you hear it?
Okay, yep, it's on the right. Hold on, I'm checking here. I didn't hear it that time. Still don't hear it. It stopped.
Yeah, it's like it's not consistent.
That's weird. What do you think it's coming from?
Oh, I heard it.
I didn't hear it that
So
time.
this command block right here is playing the sound, but it's set to conditional and needs. Oh, I said to needs redstone, then I flipped all the redstone levers on.
Oh.
Maybe that's why it doesn't work.
What is this block of things right here anyway? Oh, not right there. Right there. The disc 1, disc 1, disc 1. I don't know what this is.
That one was for
For the disc.
testing the chest conditions.
Yep, okay.
Which is broken now because we teleported. There are different coordinates.
Okay, that's for another day
Start, reset, reset. Okay, tag at P, add timer. So this one's gonna tag you. This one's gonna set your score to 0 on the timer board. This one is going to set it to 0 on the timer board. And remove the tag. And this one at P remove timer. Okay, it should work now. So middle one start.
Boom. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
It's beautiful. Okay, next question. Are you ready, Chippy?
Yeah.
Is there some magical way to trip this from a remote location, or do we need to move these 2 command blocks to the remote location?
So we have to move those command blocks because it uses the @p command or tag or whatever you want to call it.
Okay.
It has to be close to the player.
Okay. So I'm gonna go attempt to do this because I don't have a good reason. I'm gonna try to break. I went the wrong way again. It's horrible. Also, wait, I need to reset first. Does the reset fully reset me?
Reset fully resets you and stops.
Sweet. Okay. Here we go. Fly into the House of Wonders, aka the starting point. I don't know why it's now called the House of Wonders. It just is. Okay. So, hello. Wait, the button's gone.
I just moved it underneath. See, where's the scoreboard? Set timer state to 0. Yeah, we don't need that. Scoreboard set @p timer 0. Yeah, whatever. What is this one? Hurry, find Santa.
Wait, you already have everything?
No. I tried to set this up before, but it didn't work.
First, I need a torch because it is dark in here. There. Okay. So, first question. Do they have to be flat or can they be vertical?
So in this case, we want them to be vertical.
To go
So
straight
the
down
closest player will be
on top of the plate.
the person that's on top. If we did it horizontally, someone could run over it and someone else would be closer because they're behind the door.
Yep. Do the buttons go through blocks? I don't remember. Or do the plates go through blocks? Like, can they be one down?
Yeah, so if we put a lime wool here, you can put the command block there.
Is it like that? Wait, the arrow is the arrow the wrong way?
The arrow is the wrong way if you wanted to keep going down.
How do I get the arrow to be facing the right way?
It's just like with a piston. You just have to
I gotta
down
aim up.
and go underneath it.
Boom. Okay, so
Okay, and then I have one more command block. Is it this one?
the one for the text.
Yeah, or is it this one?
Pressure plate. Does it matter which pressure plate I use?
No.
I mean, is it
The
that?
wooden ones are going to be triggered by items.
Yeah, the heavy ones are the ones that only trigger by players.
Stone is only by players and mobs.
What's weighted?
Weighted? I don't know. It has to do with like the number of items that are standing on it.
Let's try weighted just to see what happens. Okay, ready? It worked.
Did you say hurry, find Santa?
It did, but my timer's not going.
Probably because we don't have that ticking area set up.
Oh, and I know how to do that one. I did a tick area. I'm going to go do that. Tick areas are very important. Tick areas.
Command successfully executed.
Tick areas in Bedrock keep the command area in the world active so that you don't feel bad when things don't work. Is it basically this whole platform that needs to be the tick area?
I mean, probably for now we can start with that. Can we like delete it and edit it later?
Yeah.
Shouldn't be a problem.
141070. I'm just trying to figure out which directions. Okay, so 141029. I'm just going to write this down if I can find a place to write it down. I'm going to use a traditional pen and paper because pen and paper is the skill that I learned playing NES games when we didn't have cool things like Google to make your maps. 73 to 98.
What's Google?
Exactly. What is Google? For
Pen
500,
and paper
Alex.
is the way to go.
70 to 95. And I'm going to give you this entire platform. You think that's enough to start? It's a pretty big tick area. And then we'll go, I'm even going to give you a little vertical and a little underneath. So 1, 4, 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, 10. Okay. So I've written them down by hand. Now I'm going to run the command. Ticking area add 1405 70 295 1435 75 310. I think I typed 2. I did. 310. And then we need to name it, and we're going to call this Cheppy's Work Zone. That way people understand how awesome the area is. Okay. So it should, in theory, be a ticking area. I'm going to hit the reset button over here again. And I'm going to come back. And I'm back. Oh, I stepped on the button, and it's counting. The tick area has worked. What have you done? Cheppy, your head. It's not fully attached. What is going on?
What the heck?
Cheppy, are you okay? Your body.
I'm fine.
You're discombobulated.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. What did you do? Guys, something's happened to Cheppy. The poor Spajam, is he okay to you? Is it just my RTX being funny? I hope so.
That's horrifying.
Poor Cheppy. Guys, Cheppy lost
It's
his
fine
body.
for me.
He's fine for you? Okay, so it's me. Okay. Oh, Fall Guy skin. Oh, that looks better. You're looking good now. Oh. Hurry, find Santa. 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 Hurry, find... Here. Spajamlat, come step on the platform. Hurry, find Santa. Okay, you better go find Santa. It said... Oh, he's gonna go find Santa. Okay. I'm back. So here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we need to put the reset button in here as well, and we'll just label it emergency reset. Want to start over? Click here. So should I go get the command blocks? I can do that. I have a skill.
Go ahead.
I'm running. I'm running, guys, and more accurately, I'm flying right through tracks. Boom. Okay, maybe not right through them. Guys, we're making progress. We almost have a start button. Wait, no, we do have a start button. We almost have a reset
start button.
I'm going to do clear again just because I don't like cluttering my inventory. Okay. Coming back. We're speed running the speedrun engine generation. It's a thrill a minute around here. Game map development 101. Okay, so now where should we put the reset button?
Put it in this pile of presents.
I guess we could. That works for me. So put a present on top of, or put a present next to the other present for me. Can you do that?
Present next to the other present. Like that?
Yep, and then put the button on top of it.
Okay.
Okay, how we is it working?
Oh wait. Should I put the gift present button? Whatever.
Yeah, the
Orange
red
black
one.
button?
That'd be a good one. Now we probably can't put a sign. We got to raise that torch up one, I think.
I could just put the sign on the block. On the present.
Yeah, that would have been a good idea. I guess before I broke the lantern. I'll put it back.
I'll put it back.
Putting it back. Hey, Rye, how's it going? I feel like it's been ages since I last spoke to... Hey, you beat me to putting the lantern back. Okay, now we need a sign. Emergency reset button. In the meantime, I'm going to go fill in the hole. Unless the button... Wait, I got to push the button. Otherwise, we don't know if it's working. I don't think it worked.
I mean,
Oh,
you
no, it
probably
did.
weren't the closest.
It
I was
did.
the closest.
That should work, though. Dirt. I need dirt. Snow. Snow will work. Tell you some wild stuff? Well, let me the most wild thing that happened to me this week, RTX dropped permanently for Minecraft Bedrock. Look at how pretty. Isn't this just look at that fire. Isn't it wild? You can put a lantern here, and it makes Cheppy glow even better. Oh, I can't put a lantern. You can put a lantern there, and look at Cheppy just glows. See, glowing Cheppy. See, it's wonderful. We are working on a holiday adventure map. It's a thrill a minute around here. Uh-oh. Spajamlac, it's not supposed to be a human oven. Spajamlac, you're on fire. Spajamlac, don't. This is not Hansel and Gretel. Get out of here. Save yourself. Don't die. Okay, I can't help him anymore, Cheppy. He likes glowing. Okay,
I
so.
don't know.
Okay, let's.
Aren't you not supposed to go in or light your fireplace on Christmas? Isn't that a thing?
I mean,
Well, this is in the workshop, so it doesn't matter.
this is
Oh,
true
I do
too.
suppose. Yeah.
But and for the
It
record,
doesn't really look like a workshop.
that you're probably right.
Mm-mm.
It needs
But
it
you
needs
gotta
some
have it in there
improvement.
for the aesthetic.
I haven't seen Mumbo though. Mumbo hasn't come in to improve it. I don't know where Mumbo's been. It makes me sad. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna leave. So wait, I think this. Oh, let me correct me if I'm wrong. Other than signage that this house obviously needs, regarding rules and stuff like that, I think we're done with command blocks in here. Are we not? Like this is.
I mean, unless we want to add other stuff.
Well, so here's
What is this?
So here's the
There you
question. Do we have any other scoreboards available to us?
At the moment?
Like, is there a place
No.
we could render the time other than this?
Spajamlac.
You're slowing us down, buddy. Don't do that.
Like display it somewhere else?
Yeah. Is there someplace else we could display the counter other than on the right side?
You can display it underneath a person's name.
Like on the
You could
tab
display
screen?
it in the escape menu. Yeah, not the tab screen, but the escape menu.
Okay, so the escape menu is an option. Is there any place else? You said underneath the player's name, but that's not visible to them.
No, but they could see other people.
Yeah. I
They
don't
could see like how many buttons they collected or something like that.
Well, see, that's what I'm trying to figure out. So, game-wise, do we want buttons collected on this screen, or do we want the timer on this screen? And in my head, the buttons collected is more useful to the player.
Okay, we could put the timer in the escape menu.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we put the timer in the buried menu. Because only people who are speedrunning are going to care about the timer. So, what do we need to change to do that? Is that one of these command blocks that we already put under here?
Nope, you just have to change it with a single command.
Change it with a single.
Scoreboard set or scoreboard objectives set display, and then you want timer to be in the list.
Yes.
So now timer's in the escape menu.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. So now how do we get gifts fixed on the right?
So is that what you want the variable to be named, or just the display? I think so. There's two. Let's see.
I mean, you can make the very yeah.
Scoreboard objectives. Add.
I really like Cheppy's outfit. This is a good. Where did you get this skin?
Did
Did you download it?
I don't know. I think it's in the store. Display name.
Speaking of store, there's like free things all week or all month, and I keep forgetting to get them.
Hey, Mad Spike.
Howdy, Mad Spike. I gotta
That's
remember to
Mad
do this.
Spike.
You just bought residential zone. You just bought cement feet. You just bought commercial zone. I don't know what these things are, but I feel like residential zone is something I would wear as Santa Claus. Am I Santa Claus right now? I don't even know. I am.
So you want the display name to be present fixed?
Yes, presents fixed. I think that makes the most sense. Does that sound like a reasonable goal? It's
Sure.
going really well, Matt Spike. Really well. We're working tonight is programming night. So we've been building a lot. We've added RTX support. Do you like the RTX support? Isn't that pretty? We've added a few skins. You can absolutely play it, my friend. You can come join us now if you want. If you want to come build something, we'll get you in here so you can build. Pixelwave has a house that he's been working on. We need puzzles more than anything right now. But okay, so presents fixed is on the right.
If you can't have RTX, no one can.
Why can't you have RTX? I mean, besides like money reasons. I suppose money reasons. Do I need to send you my card?
Availability reasons.
Availability reasons? They are hard to find. This is true.
So I have to add one more command block here. That is.
You can play the game without RTX. See, watch. Cheppy's
What do you think all of us are doing without fancy RTX cards?
Exactly. And supposedly there's some sort of mod that allows you to enable it on the older cards, but see, it looks just as good. Okay, maybe not just as good, but it looks pretty good. It's still pretty good. It's still Minecraft. It's not horrible. How you doing down there?
Good. Wanna run over the pressure plate?
Yeah, sure. It's stuck on fetching realm information though. Hold on one sec.
Oh.
I'm hitting buttons I shouldn't hit.
Hurry, find Santa. How come that didn't work?
You want me to hit the button again?
It's going. It doesn't work. / scoreboard.
So we've got this. We've got two mechanics going on here at the same time, and we're working out the bugs. Cheppy's working out the bugs. I shouldn't take any credit at this point.
I did the syntax wrong.
But basically, the moment you step on this button, you are on a mission to fix all the presents, and there's a timer even. So we have a built-in speedrun mechanic, kind of like your.
Hey, there we go.
Your nether run. Woo! Okay, so I think with that change, timer's running on me. If I click the reset button, I don't know if it actually reset everything, but my timer stopped and I'm here. So yeah, we're in pretty good shape. So this part's good. Should we move to the next part?
Yeah.
Okay, so we run out the door. Boom! Hurry! Find Santa. Hurry! Find Santa. We run. Now, here's question number 1: Are we implementing Spajamlak's jump of death? That's the next question.
The lava?
No.
Or the bridge thing?
The bridge thing.
I don't know. It looks like it got removed.
It did get removed. I don't know how, but it did get removed. So the question is, are we going to require you to have a potion of jumping to get over this bridge? And here's my objection to it. I like the idea. However, I'm thinking maybe we find a way to work it into the village somehow. But the reason I'm kind of objecting to it here is if we're making the player go visit Santa multiple times. Because that then becomes one of those mechanics where we have to come down here over and over again to get the stuff we need to jump, right? Also, you need light, man. So I don't know.
Can you make item
What do you think, Matt
frames
Spike?
invisible?
Can you make player items invisible?
No, item frames. The texture for item frames.
Is it not currently? I mean, I can.
What? Yeah. So like we can put stuff on walls and it looks like it's hanging on the wall and not in an item frame.
Yeah, I
Or
thought
like set something on a counter.
I thought that was one of them that I. Oh, apparently not. I can certainly try. What's your thought?
Well, add it to a to-do list.
Yeah. What's your thought?
Huh? Just for decorating.
Oh, okay. Okay, so
Nothing game mechanic wise yet.
I've spoken with Mad Spike and Beta 64, and they've told me that we're gonna leave the jump mechanic out for the moment. So
Okay.
next thing that happens is we come and we talk to Santa Claus. Santa, you are not very well lit. We need some form of lighting in here. Boom. Boom. I don't know what's going on here. Why can I not put things on these walls? What are they made of? Oh, those are banners.
What are you trying to do? Oh, light it up?
Yeah, I'm just lighting it up because it hasn't been lit yet. Okay. So we got to figure out what Santa says. So he needs some dialogue. Ho, ho, ho. What are you doing in my house? You need help? Okay, fly my sled outside. That seems a little too spot on. So first question, are we doing a Mrs. Claus thing? Or do we just want to leave Mrs. Claus out too at this point?
So, I know the NPC is there. Can we edit dialogue? If we just do a blank NPC with no dialogue.
I don't know what you're doing.
Oh, then it's just a blank. So, like, I'm guessing we're gonna have multiple, like, text lines, right?
Yes, isn't that how it works?
Yeah, but, like, you set up Santa Claus and he only says one thing.
Can we not programmatically change what he says? Can we create NPCs with a command? That's the real question.
We could, maybe.
Let's see. Can you create Mad Spike with a command? What would that be like?
Summon NPC.
But how do you send in the parameters?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure out.
The summon NPC worked.
Spawn position, yeah. Spawn event string. Test. Name string test. So his name is test, but his dialogue isn't anything.
Okay, so I named him I'm Cool. His dialogue is still not anything. It also is still clearly Mad Spike. So what did that setting do? Mad Spike, I'm sorry you are the default skin on the NPC. That seems to be something Cheppy did for you. Hopefully it's a lot of good free advertising for you. I hope you don't take it personally. It's a good conversation starter for us. It allows us to have somebody to talk to in the game. Because we all need friends. It's important. So we don't know what spawn event string is. Is that true? Hello World did nothing for me.
I don't know if that's like a function call out.
Spawn event. I'm gonna go look.
String.
I'm gonna Google it. Spawn event string. Spawn event. Why did it give me this?
Events allow you to spawn entities under certain event conditions. BBB, cat, dolphin, NPC. NPC does not have any spawn events.
The name of an NPC remains visible from a distance, even through walls. Interesting.
Yes, it does.
Oh, that's
What is
kind of cool.
that? So I can do /summon panda string, no, position. Minecraft. Panda. Background.
Interesting. The advanced NBC settings consist of URL and commands. They are used
What
to
the?
create
Oh,
interactive buttons. Current maximum advanced settings that can be added is 6. The URL feature allows the player to add a hyperlink button. The URL can be entered at the first input box below the title up to... Wait, is this something like I can see? Command. The command feature allows you to execute one or more commands.
what is this?
The command can be entered at the first input below the title. Unlike the command block, multiple commands can be executed in one window. How do you get... Am I not seeing some... Oh, it's under advanced settings. Yeah, advanced settings, add command. Click this button to add a command to the NPC dialog box. Okay. So that's nice. So it supports commands, but... And I bet I crashed out of the game. Yep.
Jam, like, what are you doing?
Let's see. When not added as a button, the command is executed after the dialog. Change NPC dialog with command block. Interactive NPCs with easily configurable NPC Minecraft Bedrock. Whoa, what? Okay, I'm going to read this to you, Cheppy. I don't know how this works.
Okay.
Okay, so command block to... What happens when you do title at P action bar text hello? What does that do? Does that display something on the screen? Title at P, so title command at player action bar, and then text
Action
hello.
bar.
Does it put text like on the screen right above the action bar? Is that what that is?
Title text hello. Oh, it says above the hotbar.
Yeah, it just puts the text right above the hotbar.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Here.
that's not what we're looking for.
That's like the when you hover over something in your inventory, it says the name of the item.
Mm-hmm.
It's the same thing. What is subtitle? Subtitle. Hello.
Trying to see if there is a way to do this with the NPC.
Why does this bring you to the stable?
Summon NPC. Nobody seems to have, like, I don't... NPCs are... Yeah, I don't see... I don't see a way to programmatically edit.
Yeah, I didn't see a way either.
That's really a bummer. So... What I'm wondering is... Do we...
So we can script everything with command blocks. But the player will still be able to like right click on Santa.
Yeah. Okay. Strange question. Can we teleport Santa?
Yep.
We can. Are you sure?
Sure. I can teleport him to me.
What's the command?
Okay. So
You know where I'm going with
yes,
this, right?
yes, we can teleport Santa. So there's two names technically. So technically this guy's name is NPC,
Mm-hmm.
and then the little text above him is Santa. But if we rename the spawn egg or use a name tag on him, we can call him like Santa.
Or Santa
Then
1?
we could use, yeah, or Santa 1 or whatever.
Okay.
Then you could swap him out with.
So here's the problem. We could get alternative dialogue with some fancy teleporting.
Yeah.
But it wouldn't be on a per player basis.
No, it would not be.
Because
there would be.
yeah, because
Well, you couldn't have, like, say two players walk in here with two different states.
Mm-hmm.
There's only one Santa.
Actually, Cheppy,
What?
you solved it.
I solved it. How did I solve it?
You solved it in terms of if we wanted to do it. Do you want to do it? Do we want to have multiple dialogue states? Alex J. Egg says I so do. Oh, she brought me cookies. You guys, look at these. Look at these cookies. Alex J. Egg was cooking. Cookies. Baking. She was baking.
Cookies.
Sorry. She's been watching the Great British Baking Show, and she's been baking. It's dots with an S. Actually, it's apostrophe S, because technically they are dot. Dot is the person. So, you know, they're dots with an apostrophe. Dots pretzels.
So what
Dots.
do we? I don't really want to do the teleporting different iterations of Santa Claus here.
No.
Like, we could do it, yes.
But
like, if we have more than one like conversation with him, or more than one line with him in a single conversation, or is he or like he would basically have to tell you something to do different each time, instead of like having a little conversation with you.
You ready for this? I'm going to blow your mind.
Okay.
But I'm eating a cookie
Just don't forget what you're thinking about.
for dramatic emphasis. Okay. Let's say for the moment that we want to have 2 game states for Santa.
Oh, okay.
And
So
we want...
like one at the beginning and one at the end. Yeah, you saved Christmas.
Yep. Let's just say we want those 2 game states. I know how we do it. Are you ready?
You could have 2 separate houses.
Oh, you figured it out. You figured it out.
I mean, we thought of that before.
Okay.
That's why we have the teleportation door.
Exactly. That's where the teleportation door. So we teleport them out to make it happen. Which just
yes,
means
we could do that.
Which just means we have to photocopy this room at some point. These cookies are good. Alex Jake, you cooked a good cookie. If I was Paul of the Great British Baking Show, I'd give you a handshake. They're
Why do they
real
call it
show.
cookies and not like bakies?
No. I think the real question is, why do they never make just cookies on the Great British Baking Show? I don't think I've ever seen them make just cookies. Maybe they're too
simple.
easy. Yeah. But I would say making a good tasting cookie, that's okay. Making a great tasting cookie, that's harder. There's a lot of oatmeal in them, though. But they're good. Okay. Back to the point of on task. For now, we skip the phasing until later. For now, we edit Santa Log's dialogue.
Like we could just make Santa say all the stuff with command blocks.
We could, but why can't I just have it be one big block of text?
I don't know. It seems better. Like you have the conversation with Santa. It's like you ring his doorbell, plays a little jingle ding dong, and then Santa's like, "Who's there?" And then
Well, you can
you come
we
in.
can, we can still do that because you can't see Santa at that point.
Yeah, I know. But then you get in here, and then like he asks like, "What's up?" And then I don't think players are going to think to like right click on Santa Claus.
Because NPCs are so rare.
Yeah, like I've never seen them in another map.
But that just makes us cool. Right?
I mean, they're already cool how they are. Like they look and like they can run commands, but
Wait, these were biscuits? They're not cookies? Wait, are we saying that every time I've been watching the Great British Baking Show and they've said the word biscuit, they meant cookie?
Yes,
yeah.
I can confirm this.
Then what are they calling biscuits?
Biscuits.
No, biscuits have another.
They haven't made cookies. They've been making like
Oh.
they've been making like graham cracker biscuits. Those aren't cookies. Were those cookies this whole time? I've never seen them make a sugar cookie biscuit. Or wait, is that a short crust biscuit? Is that what a sugar cookie is? Are you telling me that the British have renamed all my foods?
They rename a whole bunch. Well, we renamed it, I guess.
Does anybody have a... No, I refuse to believe that because it sounds better if I say it my way. If we print... does somebody have a cheat sheet I can print? Hello, Cassandra. Welcome on in. Is there a cheat sheet out there? Like British translation for Brit... I'm Googling this now.
American
It's
translation
difficult.
to
American
British
translation
baking show.
of British Baking Show. Yes.
What is it called?
42 terms on the Great British Baking Show explained.
There you go. See?
Let's see. Meringue, French meringue, Swiss meringue, Italian meringue. All these look right to me. Creme. Those are frangipane, not to be confused with marzipan. Frangipane is a spreadable cut. Okay, I don't. All those things. Short crust dough. Tart. Sweet. No. Puff pastry. No. Rough puff. This doesn't seem English words. Okay. Pastry. Nope. Baps. Basically just a roll. Tray bakes. This is essentially any dessert. Okay. That's plat. This is literally just a braid. Okay. Biscuit. These are cookies. What? Not crackers. What?
Yep.
I've been watching for like 4 seasons and none of these things look like cookies. I'm so
I mean, to be
confused.
fair, the cakes don't look like cakes either.
Yes, they do.
They're fancy. They're fancy. They're
Oh.
not like
Okay.
typical cakes.
Okay, maybe. Okay, so biscuits are their fancy word for cookies. So from now on, whenever they say the word biscuit, it's a cookie. Grill. Grandfather grain. Badenberg cake. Fairy cakes. Fairy cakes are cupcakes.
I did not know that one.
These are like the less American version of cupcakes. They're made with a lighter sponge and topped with a glossy icing.
Well, that sounds
Fondants.
better.
Wait. Fondants are lava cakes? I'm even more confused. Somebody is attacking me while I'm just exactly. That's what it says. Fondants are I'm not sure I trust this website. Charlotte, all these. I need a translation guide. I need a British person to come and watch the show with me and play translator. What happened to all the text I was typing? Did somebody kill Santa while I was standing here?
What?
Also, Cheppy's head is now inside of Santa's body. I was working on Santa's dialogue, and it all went away. Okay. I'll try again. Let's see. Santa... Wait. Does Santa talk about himself in the third person? That's the real question here. Santa is tired. Did you just try to break Santa again? It's okay. It's still on my
No,
screen.
Santa moved.
Okay. I'm going to check. Right. Wait. Now there's a torch behind Santa. Edit dialogue.
Can you push
Santa is tired. Santa...
Hey, you can.
The toys I delivered were broken? How can this be? Christmas is ruined and I am tired. Too tired to fix this problem. Maybe you could take one of my reindeer and fly with my sleigh. No, maybe you could take my sleigh into town and fix all the broken toys before the good girls and boys wake up. Do I really want to leave boys mistyped? No, I'll fix it. That was a beta reference right there. All the broken toys before the good girls and boys wake up. I left the sleigh keys with Dasher. Wait, can you give items to reindeer?
I mean,
Like, I'm trying to figure out what the mechanic is here. How do we get the reindeer to give him a sleigh? I left the sleigh keys with Dasher. Give him a carrot, and I'm sure he will give them to you.
there you go.
I mean, that sounds like pretty good instructions, right? So if I'm in survival, game mode, survival, JJDB. The toys I delivered were broken? How can this be? We need to add that sound effect. Christmas is ruined. We need voice actors. And I'm tired. See, that solves everything, Cheppy. And I'm tired. too tired to fix this problem. Maybe you could take my sleigh into town and fix all the broken toys before the good girls and boys. We could do sound! I left the sleigh keys with Dasher. Give him a carrot, and I'm sure he will give them to you. So here's what we do, Chep. I figured it out. Because I now know command blocks. Command.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know them enough to find them in my inventory. Also, I'm not in... I know what my problem is. Game mode, creative. See, what we do is we get a pressure plate. And we put a big pressure plate right there. And when they step on it, it'll play the voice acting. Won't that be epic?
That would be cool.
No, you're wanted, Cassandra. I hope you're having a good day. We're just chilling. We're working on the map. Hope you're having a good day. Hope all is well. Okay, here we go. Oh no, the button's gone. I wonder if we can get it to interact with the NPC. Probably not. Oh, you want it to blend in? Okay, so we're going to need a sound effect. That's okay. So, button. So I'm going to put that on the to-do list. The infamous to-do list. Where is the infamous to-do list? I've lost my to-do list. I like the words.
So are you going to get
list.
voice actors?
How would you like to be the voice of Santa, Cheppy?
I don't want to be the voice of Santa.
You know, I can be the voice. I could be the voice of Santa. I'm not in the game yet. Mad Spike is, Beta 64 is. My voice, however, is not. I could. Ho, 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 green giant. That's Santa, right?
So, another thing we can do is when the player clicks on Santa, we can have a trigger command. So we don't even need the pressure plate.
When the player clicks on Santa, we can trigger. Oh. That's a good idea. It can trigger without them clicking the button?
Yeah. You
Okay.
can just have it here. Play sound
Creeper.
at a... Oh,
A little bit
I don't
tired?
know.
Okay.
what sound did you want?
Ninja should be the voice of Santa. That could work. I was thinking of pulling a surprise Alex Jag, but I didn't want to tell anybody. I was just going to say use the creeper sound for now. Oh, that'll work.
Okay. Position...
One. Get voice acting for Santa.
Play sound string.
Ninja Weasel
Target.
at Ninja Weasel. Are you interested? Otherwise, I may reach out to the guy from Stanley Parable. No, we need Stanley, the guy from Stanley Parable, to be the narrator. We could have the whole thing voice acted. Stanley has entered the holiday world. Oh my gosh. Guys, I may have just made this game next level. I figured out how to plus
how
it,
much are you
Cheppy.
gonna pay?
I don't know. I know his name is like Steven? No. Voice actor Stanley Parable. You know who I could get? It might not be as good, but it could be. Alex Jag would like this one. I could probably get Ben from the Frozen ride at Walt Disney World.
How could you do that?
Well, he has a Cameo account, and I'm pretty sure he'd be willing to do a voice line for me via the Cameo account if I reached out. Pretty sure.
How much does it cost?
Why do you ask these questions, Cheppy? We worry for something to be epic. You sometimes, I mean, look at how much money Walt Disney had. No money when he built Disneyland. By the time he was done, did you know that he'd be destitute and poor if nobody went to Disneyland? It's true. It's very true. You have to, sometimes you have to sacrifice. And Alex Jag says sacrifice everything to make this game go well. But here, check this out. Submit inquiry. Use this form. I'm trying to see how much he would charge. Availability.
See, Alex Jake's already got it in with them. I chat with him on occasion.
Yeah, exactly. See, I could get Ben. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'm looking at the other guy because Kevin Brighting is the other guy. I mean, listen to this voice.
Tesco Club Card members will be seeing double this month with an exclusive double deal.
James,
Your mission, if you choose to accept it, is to answer the phone.
Travel Shop Flight Centres, the travel and holiday specialist on the coast for European and worldwide flights.
That's like
What do you
British.
need for effective?
Isn't that how you make every game epic? Is British? That's the Stanley Parable guy. Wouldn't that be? Wouldn't that be just perfect? Alex Drake did not say that. Okay, I may have misinterpreted something, but that doesn't. I didn't say he could be the voice of Santa. He could be the We could make Ben the voice of Santa, and we could make
Yeah, that could be the narrator.
and we could
Yeah,
make
yeah.
Kevin the narrator. And okay, this game we might. I wonder how much it would cost. Please note that I do not do voice. Please note that I do not voice Stanley Parable or any other scripts for free. Oh, yeah, that's good to know. He has that right on his website. Pricing. Oh, there is pricing right on this page. If you want a quick and easy solution, our friendly team can help you set up the perfect voice. Wait. Submit a brief. This is way more complicated than Ben. Ben is going to be far more affordable. I don't know. Okay. We got sidetracked on you think the kids should narrate. It's not the worst idea in the world. I'll think about it. Okay. Okay, so Santa has given us directions to go get the keys from... Who did I make him say get the keys from? Dasher. Okay, so Dasher needs to give us our sleigh. So where's Dasher? I thought these were labeled. Were these not labeled? Oh, they are. The reindeer are labeled. Donner, Cupid, Comet, Vixen, Prancer, Dancer, Dasher. So Dasher's right here. Okay, so if we give Dasher a carrot, how do we give Dasher a carrot? That's the real question. We would need a carrot. We need a never-ending box of carrots. How hard is that to do?
See?
Easy? Okay. Well, we have this floating carrot sign, which makes me think we need to leverage the carrot sign.
Well, I thought this would be an alright place for a carrot farm.
Where are you?
The floating carrot sign.
Oh, yeah. No, I think that's perfect. So we'll need to let's just get a box of infinite carrot over here for now. And we can build the path another night. We're working on game mechanics tonight. We're not working on design per se.
At some point, I think we have to work on story.
What do you mean?
Because, I mean, I don't know.
No,
I don't know.
no, explain. Explain yourself. You obviously are thinking something.
Well, we've done, like, some story work. But I feel like it's not going to be very much. Like, okay, go get Santa, go get a carrot, go to the reindeer, find all the buttons, and then done.
Well, I mean, yes. I mean, you're not wrong. I guess my question would be,
Is there more than that? Are you thinking?
well,
And like, how many buttons they're gonna have?
so you're getting to the heart of the problem here, right? So while we have this conversation, story gameplay. How am I trying to say this? You can have a simplistic story and make up, like, it can be all about the gameplay, right? So, like, I'm trying to think of a good game where, like, Overwatch. Overwatch is a good example, right? Overwatch actually has a pretty deep story, but it's entirely irrelevant for pretty much everybody playing the game, right? Like, there's no lore in the game itself, which is fine. But the gameplay is good, so everybody plays, that kind of thing, right? Or you can go full story, and we could try to turn this into some sort of RPG. My road just disappeared. No. In any case, it caught me off guard. What I was gonna say is like if we want other gameplay elements in the game, I think that would be awesome. I think the question is then one of time. If we are trying to add more story elements and make the game bigger and longer and more RPG and all that, the question is, are we going to finish in 10 days or whatever the time frame may be? So my initial thoughts are we focus on simplistic story and then decent speedrun gameplay, and then circle back and add more story if we want, or more stages. Because, I mean, this is just one giant game state map, right? Like, we can add more nodes anywhere in the process if we want. It's just, it gets more and more complicated to implement the more we do. Right?
Yeah.
Am I making any sort of sense?
No, it makes sense.
So, I guess
Like,
what I'm...
we want a good base before we, like, try and do a lot of stuff.
Yeah, or the way I would prefer to say it, I want to make sure that we have something that's finished by Christmas. And
Yeah.
as opposed to a large scoped project. I mean, because even right now, like when we started this project 10 days ago, there were a lot of people, willing to build stuff and add stuff. And don't hear this wrong, everybody. I'm not. This is not critical, but we've lost a lot of our builders. So, that's going to slow us down. Like right now, we're building a road that, oh, what happened? That probably...
We should do an underground carrot farm. That'd be kind of cool.
We could do that.
That could have been done by someone else.
Yeah, exactly. Like we could have all the puzzles built already, and it's just waiting for the code at this point. So, I mean, we're down to 10 days. I'd rather see, like, if we can get 10 puzzles in this thing. I mean, we've got 2, and if we do 1 a day, right? If we do 1 a day, we're going to be right up against our deadline. Which is why I'm not overly, like, I don't want to go too deep on story. I mean, if I'm going to hire a narrator, then we should have a conversation. But
yeah.
But yeah, I think right now my goal is to get it to be something worthy of being uploaded on, December 23rd, December 24th, and let people play it for fun, kind of thing. Because, and I don't know that I don't know that this is my end game, but I think as soon as we're done with this, I think we roll it out to the general public. Like, we go put it up on the Minecraft Reddit, that kind of thing. Because this is, even in its state right now, this is pretty sweet in terms of how far it's come. So it's worthy of Reddit at this point. I mean, I don't want to put it up on Reddit yet, but it's getting there. And Tart Chipmunk has redeemed Dad announces something for you, so I'm going to announce something for you guys real quick. Tart Chipmunk says, I love everyone in this community, and even the community. I love the content creator who created it. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. Remember to have fun, eat Dots pretzels, and that's all, folks. That's all, folks. Oh, I can't do that. I have no Looney Tune skills. Thanks, Tart Chipmunk, for that announcement. I appreciate it. I hope you have lots and lots of Dots pretzels there. Or pretzels, whatever. Are we doing underground? Is that what we're thinking?
Yeah, I think so.
I mean,
'Cause,
carrots grow underground, right?
Yeah.
I should probably stop. You guys were already building downward.
No, go ahead.
I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just digging. Okay. Well, can we just, for now, can we make an infinite box of carrot? Like, okay, so we need a chest, right, for an infinite box of carrot? And
Sure.
I'm just trying to, we just have to put it someplace. I think we'll put an entire carrot garden, but
I mean, I can do the carrot quick. It'll take me like 5 minutes to do in the actual place.
okay, we can't cover the light source with the chest. Okay, so we're not worried about the programming. We'll get that built. So then the carrots will be in this chest. pretend-wise. There we go. Not right there. I'm a visual person tonight, so.
Yeah, sure.
Sounds good, Tarp Chipmunk. Okay, so we run all the way back to Dasher. Now the question is, how do we give the carrot to Dasher? Do we change the fence and put a hopper in the floor? Do we... I don't know. Is there some mechanic where Dasher will pick up a carrot? Wait, wasn't there... Can you actually feed animals? Oh, no. Somehow I ended up on the horse. That's not
You
what I
can
wanted.
feed some animals.
Well-
Maybe can you give him a golden carrot?
We can make
Yeah,
them...
You can give him a golden carrot.
Okay, so we can give them... Heart. Can you open this gate for me, please? Thank you. Okay. Let's,
I don't think you can give him a regular carrot.
Yep, no, I think you're right. So we're going to have to use golden carrots. No. Come out, Spajamlight. Come out, quick. Oh, no. Come out, Spajamlight. Come out. Wait. I'm not doing this right. Wait,
No,
oh,
that's
these are
fine.
all... Those are all the open
They're all
kind.
fence gates. Yeah, they're fine.
I don't want the player to accidentally go in there, though. If we're... Well, so can we... let me ask this question. Can we detect Dasher being fed with a command block?
I don't know.
Is it like right-clicking Santa?
No.
No. Okay. I'm going to go check the internets. Command button detect animal being fed. Also, do they have a maxed fed?
I think you can just keep feeding him golden stuff.
Okay. Detecting a player using a sweet berry. No, detecting a player. Bedrock. How to detect an item in... Okay, so... Invisible armor stand? I don't know that will work. Hello, mister. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for the follow. I can lure them fine with respect to food. When I try to feed them, I end up killing them. What am I doing wrong? I have an idea. I don't know that it's a good idea. Would you like to hear my crazy idea?
Sure.
Let me first look at the... I'm going to look at the code for... let me look at the code for the reindeer first. But what if we remodeled a zombie or a pig dude?
Remodeled? Oh, so like they follow the...
No. You throw a golden carrot at them, and they throw back a minecart.
Oh.
Just-
we could detect when someone throws an item, I think.
Well, and yeah, I guess we could do it with a hopper too. That would be the other.
No, with a command block. Test for at e
What are those guys
type
called?
equals.
And they're not zombie
item
pigmen. What are they? They're
colon name equals golden.
what are they called? What are those new? What are the trading ones called?
Hoglin?
Hoglins?
Piglin?
Hoglins? Let me go look for Hoglins. Hoglin. There we go.
So I can detect when a golden carrot is on the ground.
Okay. In a certain area.
Um,
I think a hopper would just be easier though, wouldn't it? Because the hopper would just pick it up.
yes, but then you have to like get the hopper. I mean, like, it has to go in the hopper for sure.
Yeah, but we could put 4 of them down all over the stable, and that should be easy enough to solve. But hold that thought
And
for
I
just a
can
second.
also do R equals 4. R equals 2.
Piglin
So
with
I
2
put
eyes.
over there.
Oh, are they piglins? Piglin. Which ones are the ones that do trading? That's what I'm wondering.
Piglin.
Piglin. Okay.
Hoglin is the big one that throws you up.
Okay. So I lost my screen capture button. Where did you go, screen capture button? I know that's really hard to see. Okay, so this is the controller entity for a piglin. Look at target.
Okay, so I don't think they'll pick up golden carrots though. They only trade for gold.
Oh no, I'm aware. Bear with me though. I'm looking into a theory here. So piglin attack controller, look at target, bob, move, animate. Because see, there's all sorts of stuff in here that we never talk about. But sadly, the thing I'm looking for in here does not appear to be in here. Riding controller. I was hoping that there would be a area where it says, like, here are the items that it'll pick up. Here are the things it will give out.
Yeah, like where you could customize the loot table or something like that.
Yeah, but I'm not seeing that on the piglins here. Piglin brute, pillager. Unless I'm looking... No, I'm looking in the right place. That's a bummer, because I was hoping that I could then cheat and grab that, whatever that logic was, and throw it into the horse behaviors and see what happens. And actually, maybe... I didn't think to look in the behavior pack, though. Let me look in the behavior pack real quick. Hoglins? Piglins. Piglins. Minecraft timer, become zombie, ranged unit, melee unit, angry, piglin baby, piglin adult, Minecraft barter. Barter table. There is a barter table thing. Entities. So here's my question. So that's Minecraft barter, and this is where I don't know enough about how this works. There's a Minecraft barter command here underneath. What is this a subset of? This is a subset of... tabbed in on that line, so... it's just part of entity, so maybe that's a specific thing defined to this entity. I probably can't copy it into a horse. Oh, that's a bummer. Let me look at the horses, just in case there's something we can work with. Horse. Can you detect breeding? Or tamed? Probably not. Breedable. Breed items. It has the breed items listed. Tempt. Can you detect if something's been tempted? All the questions. Base white. Oh, that's just the... I mean, I think the easiest... I keep coming back to this. I think the easiest is going to be hoppers. Unless you think I'm nuts, Cheppy. What method do you like, if you're still here?
Command block.
Oh, just for having it on the ground?
Yeah.
Okay. You win. So the command blocks eat up the carrot. And as long as it's in the vicinity of Dasher.
Found golden carrot. Yes. Syntax error, unexpected add yet execute as. Okay, maybe I don't know this command. Execute as. Oh, there's a coordinate position. Wait, is execute as? No, it was. I totally. Execute origin. Position. Command. Origin.
I really like the sign texture. That's kind of nice. I mean, I would say anywhere within, like... It doesn't have to be even in the pen. It could be, like, all the way out here, Cheppy, as far as I'm concerned. The goal is not to make this overly difficult for the player.
Yeah.
Carrot, 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 carrot.
So there, now it detects when the carrot is thrown at.
Okay.
So it just says reindeer only eat off the ground.
Yes. It's a player hint to help them figure out how to feed the reindeer.
So then it doesn't have to be a golden carrot. It can be anything.
I'm okay with golden carrot. I think that's more Christmassy anyway. Now it needs to give the player a minecart. So is that just one more give?
Do you want Dasher to say something or no?
It could say something like, here's Santa's sleigh. I want to say here's the keys to Santa's sleigh, but that's just making it harder than it needs to be. Here's Santa's sleigh. Also, there's a wandering trader.
Okay, so I'm gonna hide these command blocks underneath Dasher.
Should I destroy this one?
No, you're good.
No, should you just leave it? You mean?
Oh, the one command block that's there?
Yeah, do you want me to break it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm pro at destroying things these days.
Oh, that had snow on it. Okay, so this is gonna test if there's a carrot there.
How you doing, Spajamlock? You having a good time? You got a third puzzle built? Or a fourth puzzle? Or a 5th puzzle. We need 10 more puzzles.
Okay, did someone throw a carrot?
I did not throw a carrot.
Oh, conditional.
Am I not in creative mode yet? Or did I just click on the wrong button? There we go. Golden carrot. Let me know if you need me to throw one.
Okay, so it's gonna test if there's a carrot there.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But do you recall the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose. How you doing, Jeppy?
Good.
Hey, there's a fox out here. Hello, fox. How are you today? I'm going to name you. You seem special. Where'd he go?
Is golden carrot capitalized?
Yes.
Sweet.
Fox is hiding. What's over here? Somebody dig a tunnel out? We're having too much fun. Hey, Cash Spoon, how's it going? We watched something made by you earlier tonight, right here on stream. We are excited for December 21st. Very excited. How's it going with you, though? You having a good day? Anything we can do for you? We're implementing the logic tonight.
Alright, it works.
My turn. Okay, I'm really bad at this. Maybe I should hit the Q button. I've been given a minecart. Woo! Except it didn't actually say minecart. Carrots. Minecart.
12 hours. Holy cow.
What?
Cash Spoon is working on 12 hours today for Cheese Nip Rescue 2.
Oh man, you are a dangerous person announcing a game is ready for release without it being finished. I don't know that I would have done that. But good job. Oh, I'm sure they do. Nice. I should probably find a way to rename that. Oh well. I feel like we probably need signage here. What do you think?
I don't think this looks like a takeoff.
Yeah.
Like, I think we should make this into like a little runway.
What do you have in mind?
I don't know. Maybe like a little tarmac.
What if we don't make the player think about it? Or do we want to make the player think about it? Are we making it too easy if we just force the player to take off? Then we don't even have to give him the item, right?
We could have the reindeer say, head outside and hop in the sleigh. And then
Let me
maybe
ask.
we could detect if a player is in a sleigh and have it take off.
Has a lot of moving parts. I imagine with what we're doing here as well, lots of moving parts. If we teleport them, you can't teleport them into a sleigh, right? Like that's not. There's no way to do that. They have to be in the sleigh.
I think they have to get in the sleigh on their own.
Okay, so yeah, I think our best option is probably to give them a area that says sleigh launch pad or something like that. Put it in, and then as soon as we detect a player in a sleigh, activate the rails. I mean, I don't know. Thoughts?
I'm just trying to think of how we could detect the player being in a sleigh, for starters.
Or maybe we just rely on that the player should know how to put a sleigh on cart tracks, but then again, the tracks aren't overly visible, so I don't know how easy that actually is to do.
Like, we could spawn a minecart there instead of
Dasher.
giving it to one. Yeah, so Cashpoon, we are... So this command over here, I don't know if you can see on stream. You throw a golden carrot over at Dasher and he gives you a minecart. But we could instead use the summon command to summon a minecart on these rails over here.
So
Then the only thing I'm trying to figure out is like once the player jumps in, how to make it automatically take off.
yeah, so Dasher, we've been working on a giant adventure map since just after Thanksgiving. This is the adventure map right here. We've added RTX support to it. We've got some pretty cool command blocks in. The build is going well. It's going to be kind of a find a button map is the key mechanic, and we're just working on the elements that move you from one area to the next right now. Our goal is to be done by Christmas, so we're running out of time, but we're getting there. This is if we get this spot, if we get the next two things in place tonight, all that's left then is to build out puzzles. Yeah, so it's not find a button necessarily in the sense of like some of the really cool ones where like the button is like where the buttons are insanely hidden, although we might have a little bit of that. This is going to be like parkour type find a button. You get through the parkour, you get the button, you get through whatever it is, you get a button. You know, so it'll be a puzzle map is probably a better way to say it. So a lot of creations being pulled together for the holidays. Exactly, Cash Spoon. Big releases all around. But I promise we won't interfere with your launch date of the 21st. Hey, Hard Snipe. We'll save ours for Christmas. Okay, so if we summon the minecart, how about this? How about we just give them a button to push? So we put it in the right spot, they push a button, it goes.
Yeah, that could work too.
So Dasher would have to say something like, the sleigh's out front.
Well, they can't see redstone torches. There's one.
You broke it.
Well, otherwise...
No, I'm just playing with you, Chebby. Trying to figure out the launch spot.
Do we have it on snow or do we have it on like a little strip of black concrete?
We can do it on black. Maybe, hold on. I'm thinking a little bit about this. You're going for full runway?
I mean, that's it.
Well, so the way launchers work, they have to have a backsplash, right? That's the whole. So the minecart's actually going to sit on the front of it.
Huh?
That is very true, Cassandra. Like you can't launch. Like there's going to need to be a block. You know, right here, right? Like that? Yeah. So they click that, it's going to do that, but there we go. Yeah, you can't, yeah, these can't all be powered rail is the crux of that.
So you could have it on a little bit of an angle or something.
So, Oh, the question is now. You still need a block, though, don't you? You still need the backsplash, right? You need this block. No, I mean, like, even what I'm trying to get at is even if you put it here. So, hop in the cart and push the button. You won't go anywhere. But
It's not going to do anything, right?
But if you put that there, it does, right? No. Even without the ramp.
No, it won't do anything.
You
It's
sure?
just still going to sit there. Yeah. Oh, what?
Exactly. That's the magic trick to launchers. You have to have a backsplash.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just put the dirt piles there. We spawn it in this first spot. What I'm trying to figure out is, like, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out how ridiculously obvious we want this to be. Like, I don't know. And then we've got Bruce signs everywhere. So, like, Santa's runway. I don't. That minecart did just fly, Pit Pato. Here, check it out. It's a sleigh. Whee! Whoa. Isn't that fun? It's one of the cooler mechanics we've added to our map. It's not It's not completely done because we'll actually make this invisible, but they're there. Why is it coming back? Yeah, it's not entirely invisible. These are just they're all powered rails. So if we were to find the redstone torch, which is like right here, I'm not gonna break it because then I have to put it back. There's a redstone torch somewhere around there. Okay. Real quick, because I believe in bug-free gaming. Can we add a detector rail right here? Detector rail. And I don't know what the command to do this, but is it possible for us to check if something is in the minecart?
You could.
And if nothing is in the minecart, destroy it?
Sure.
See what I'm going for there?
Yes, but if two people throw carrots over here.
It won't matter because the busted wagons will destroy after they go over the detector rail.
Okay.
See what I'm saying? That I'm trying to fix like a bug before it becomes a bug.
Yeah,
'Cause-
no, I threw a bunch of carrots in there just to see what would happen.
Yes. We created minecarts galore. The other, well, I don't. No, that's the best option. Have it delete minecarts not in use. That's funny though.
So we could So we could test if a player is nearby, but not in the minecart. If you understand.
There's no way to actually. So if player within, although if there's multiple minecarts.
Yeah, like say the command block triggers. Okay, test if there's a player within one range. If not, kill all the minecarts.
Can we? Let me ask this question. Can we say if a minecart is already at this location, don't summon another one?
Yes.
Sandra, that's not true. You are more than welcome to hang out with us and chat. What's been new today? Did you leave your job?
Go on vacation?
Did you go on vacation?
Let's see. We could.
I would say
So
at the.
we could,
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead, Chippy.
we could test if there's a minecart here. And so if you throw it a carrot, it won't spawn another one.
That would prevent the massive spawning.
That would. But then it would also. I don't know. Say someone throws. Say two people come in. One throws a carrot. Jumps in them. Or yeah.
Yeah. So
There's the time when like someone's running out and hopping in before
which
someone else tries to throw a carrot.
that particular mechanic I'd be entirely okay with breaking.
Okay.
Because one, it'd be fun if you're racing to do that. Like
Yeah, like you steal someone else's
yep,
minecart.
steal somebody else's minecart, or vice versa. They can't get their minecart because you're already on the way to it. There's not a whole lot you can do about it other than teleport the player right there, but that's not the best idea either. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that mechanic because it's going to be a rare. The only time it's going to ever happen is if two people are racing each other, theoretically, which is fine. What I was going to say though, Cassandra, is I would say to some degree you have a chance at having more friends and better friends. So I would the interesting thing about it is so there's two things I would say. There's a fool me once, shame on me, fool me twice, shame on you. Wait, is that fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice, shame on me, right? I had it backwards. That said, I firmly believe that for a real friendship to exist, it has to be honest, right? Because if it's not built on honesty, then what do you have? Like, you can't say the friendship is honest or the friendship is real if it's not built on something real, right? Like, I consider Cheppy my friend because I don't think he's like constantly working against me. Now, if it turns out that this whole time Cheppy's just been using me to, I don't know, I can't even think of, Cheppy's too pure for me to even remotely consider that he's trying to sabotage me in some way. But he's trying to use me for a free trip to Disney, which has never even been suggested until just now, probably. But something like that, then that's not built on the right premise, right? It's like, I'm your friend only because you want to give me something, or I'm your friend only because I said this, or whatever. I don't think there's anything you've said that has made you my friend or not my friend other than your presence here. And while I'm disheartened by what I learned today, it just means that for a while I won't necessarily believe anything, which is, understandable. But for what it's worth, I have a hard time believing half the things I read on the internet anyway. So it's kind of the nature of the internet. But the things you've said don't make me like you any more or any less. I don't judge people based on... I would say this. I judge you more based on your behavior in chat than, like, in terms of how you conduct yourself, than I do, like, for example, the person who visited us last night from the stream who we banned, right? Like, nobody around here, at least to my knowledge, is talking about banning you for any reason at this point. We all put on masks. We all try to be something we're not. It's kind of the way the internet works. So, I wasn't going to call you out on it. I wasn't going to say anything on stream. You were discussing it, though, so I apologize if I'm going a little too far with this conversation on stream. But, yeah. Know that I hope that you can be honest with us. Yeah, torches melt snow. I figured that out. But they don't melt snow blocks, right? Correct?
They don't.
Which is why I went and I replaced these blocks with snow for now. Because all my snow kept melting. It was tragic. But I'm okay with this.
Trying to figure out how to
Santaland Night Show,
test
nice.
for...
We have a light show this weekend to go to, too. I'm excited for it. And tomorrow is my favorite football game of the year. I'm excited for that, too. Tomorrow, my favorite college football team, the Nebraska Cornhuskers, play the Minnesota Gophers. And my actual college, and LXGA's, one of LXGA's colleges. And the thing that I'm most excited about with it is, or like the thing that I love every year about it, is that there is a trophy. This is a trophy game, kind of like the pig or the axe or those kind of games. Except for this trophy is the $5 bits of broken chair trophy. Nope, you guessed wrong. $5 bits of broken... have I never told you about this, Chippy? Have we never had a conversation about the $5 bits of broken chair trophy? Oh, no.
No.
What have you done? You've unleashed... Okay. So, college...
I have no idea what this is.
Yep, college football history lesson for everybody here, right? So, Nebraska and a handful of other football teams joined the Big Ten it's probably about 10 years ago now. It's been a while. They had been in another division prior to that, so a lot of people think there are 10 schools in the Big Ten. There's now like 16 because they added teams to it. And when they did, they established rivals. And they did that to kind of make some games more big now that these new teams were in the league, and they're trying to create rivalries. And most people, when they think rivalry, they think, oh, something that naturally forms over time, like between me and Beta 64. But the league thought in their best interest that they were going to like simulate these rivalries in advance and tell everybody it's rivalry week. I can't talk. And we're going to have these big rivalry games. And in most cases, they took some rivalry that already exists and they just made it codified. They made it legit. But in Nebraska's case, because they were new, they just decided to declare Iowa their rival. And because it was a big game, they made it a trophy game. So every year a trophy goes back and forth, and that trophy is known as the Heroes Trophy. And a lot of people, Heroes Trophy brought to you by, I think, Hy-Vee. I believe it's, and that's the other thing. The trophy is sponsored, which that's not, normally trophies aren't sponsored, right? So all these magical trophies appeared in the Big Ten for rivalry week if there wasn't some trophy already in place. And everybody kind of gave it a hard time and was like, this is ridiculous. This is corporate sponsorship at its worst. This isn't a real rivalry yet. And ironically, it became a rivalry. But, Iowa's right next door to Nebraska. And according to Nebraska, they have bad corn. But, yeah, that'd be fighting words. So this little rivalry was forged by the Big Ten. But what ended up happening was... a year or two into the league, it might have even been the first year. I don't know if it's really been that long. There was a Twitter account for Goldie Gopher and a Twitter account for a entity known as Faux Pelini. It was not the Nebraska head coach at the time, but it was a joke account that had gained notoriety, like major notoriety as being the fake head coach, and so it was always making jokes and stuff. And Faux Pelini and Goldie Gopher got into it on Twitter. And I'm gonna see if I can find history of the bits of broken chair. And let me see if I can find the So Goldie suggested a wager on the game for Minnesota-Nebraska, saying, "Hey, Faux Pelini, how about a friendly wager for this weekend's game? Team that gets the most points gets a conference win. Seem fair?" Now, here's the thing. That's always true, right? Team that gets the most points gets a conference win. That's the definition of a win, right? And I think at that point we might have even been vying for conference championship too. But in any case, Faux Pelini responds with, "Okay, how about if we, Nebraska, win, you give me $5. If you, Minnesota, win, I get to smash a wooden chair over your back." This prompted Goldie to start crowdsourcing Twitter followers and Reddit's college football community to design the $5 Bits of Broken Chair trophy. Many designs were quickly presented, and eventually Goldie created a real trophy. This is entirely legit, which was brought to the 2014 game in Lincoln, which Minnesota won 28-24. And you have to understand, this is where it gets a little bit more interesting. It was their first victory in Lincoln, Nebraska since 1960. So very long time since they had won a game. And it also gives Minnesota their first winning streak against Nebraska since their 3-game streak in the 1950s. So a long time since Minnesota had any sort of record. It received widespread acceptance from both fan bases at that game. And it was in the media, all this stuff. It was loved. But it was rejected by both universities. The schools, even though Goldie was involved, the official Goldie account, the school, the trophy made it back to Minnesota. It was going to all the student events. You could go get your picture taken with it, all of this stuff. And yeah, it was taken by, but it's not an official trophy. It was not an official trophy. And it changed hands. It made it to the next football game a year later at the October 17 game when Nebraska defeated Minnesota back in Minneapolis. And we were there for that game, and it was kind of a big deal. But Nebraska never talked about winning the trophy, with the exception of one football player who was all gung-ho about it. And where things got a little bit weird There were a few pictures taken with it when it got back to Nebraska, but then it disappeared. Nobody knows where the trophy went.
Someone stole it.
Yeah, it disappeared completely in 2016, and Reddit and all these people were getting angry. Like, we were trying to figure out where it was. There were people on Reddit, and I say we because I was in these chat messages when it was happening. But like, people were calling both universities. They were tracking down photos. At that point, we changed head coaches as well, so we were trying to figure out if maybe the old head coach somehow had it. And nobody, like, people were saying Nebraska destroyed the trophy is what happened. Like, it was destroyed and never seen again, or thrown out. And so 2016, it didn't get talked a lot about. Like, it got mentioned once or twice on the Big Ten Network because they were, they were trying to celebrate it in some ways, but it didn't get any ground. And then the next year, and this is where it's taken on a new life now, and this is how trophies should work. At the 2017 game, a group recreated the trophy. They rebuilt it, all of that fun stuff, and they found a place that was willing to house the trophies at both locations, and it's now a fundraiser. So every year, they're now using it to fundraise for Team Jack, which is Nebraska's really big foundation, and the Minnesota Messianic Children's Hospital. So like, there are people, they're using it to help collect donations. So they run around the tailgating and stuff with it. You can get your picture with it, and they're looking for donations for these two organizations, and it's worked pretty well. Every year they've been making a little bit more money with it, getting a little bit more attention, and the schools can't. At this point, the schools can't shut it down, because now to shut it down means to hurt these charities, essentially. So it's interesting how it's taken on a life of its own. Yeah, it's been fun to watch, and the trophy is hilarious. Like, I could put a picture of it here. I've got the Wikipedia page open. Or maybe I don't. $5 bits of broken chair trophy. Where's my screen? Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'll just open image in new tab. There we go. Right there. Broken chair, nice and golden. And there's two $5 bills taped on the underside of the chair. Yeah, like that. There we go. They're fake $5 bills, but $5 bills nonetheless. So, and like here, this is the head coach of the Nebraska at the time holding the chair. But yeah, it's become a thing, and so like, it goes around now. It travels, and it's developed its own following, if you will, on the internet. It's a unofficial Reddit trophy. So, Cassandra, we completely understand. Completely understand. And I'm sorry that you're in that place feeling alone. If we can help you feel a little less alone, that's a good thing around here. So, okay. So, Cheppy, back on task. Sorry. Long story about a trophy. Tomorrow's a trophy game. I'm excited. $5 bits of broken chair. Google it if you want to learn more. So now we need to program buttons. Right? Like, that's the next thing.
Yeah. So
Yep.
I got that to work.
Oh, the buttons are working?
No, not the buttons. The minecart thing.
Oh, yeah. Worked great.
So you can spam it with as many characters as you want, and if there's already a
minecart?
minecart there, it won't spawn another one.
Cool. So, Jamlek, your house needs just a little bit more lighting, my friend. Also, I need... Why does this fire not light up? Is this blue fire?
This campfire.
What am I using in the other one?
Fire.
Okay, I'll redo the graphics for Campfire, and then now without RTX. Yeah, we don't want without RTX. I need to add. I need to add the RTX for lava too. Little things. Yeah. Good job, Cassandra. Good job, and thank you. Apology accepted. Da, da, da. I like how the table is a mirror now.
Table is a mirror now?
Yeah, he's got iron blocks up here that are mirrors. Oh, that's cool. Is it a never-ending cookie dispenser?
No.
No. Okay. So, yeah, so back to my next question. So how do we get the button logic on that button? What do we need to do now? Go get the command blocks
okay.
for button 1?
Sure. Actually, no. We have to redo them.
Okay. This part I want to understand because we're gonna need a few of these buttons.
Yeah, yeah. So there are 12 states a button can be in. If you can imagine that, right? So you have
Okay.
you can place a button on a ceiling, on the floor, and like on each northeast, southwest side of a block.
Okay.
And then that button can also be pushed.
Yes.
So the command is /test for block, and I think you give it the position. So I'll just put tilde for now, and then you put in the block ID. So what block it is. So this is a polished.
Can I pause you for 1 sec?
Sure.
Would it be easier if I textured the command block to look like a present?
No, I mean.
Because then you could just have the button feed right into the command block?
You could do that too, but
Okay, I'm just checking.
It
This way you can put the
doesn't
buttons
save
anywhere.
any command block. It doesn't save any command blocks.
Okay, I'm just checking.
So we have to figure out which position the button is. I think it's 9.
Because it's on the bottom?
Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna type in a command. Oh,
I'm going to add another torch.
test for block. Button data value 9. Okay. Can you spam this button up here?
Spamming.
Okay, okay. So I found the command.
Okay.
So
Spajamlag's still spamming.
that's right. So that's the command. So now we need to set up a repeating command block somewhere.
We could, like...
Let's see.
I'm just looking for places to hide it.
That's the outside.
Is the command going to be relative to the button, or is the command going to be relative to the command block?
The command's gonna be... I guess it doesn't matter. We can tell where to set the player to. So is
If it was me, I'd put it right here. Assuming you only need one.
no, I need a couple, but I mean we can just put it underneath.
Or Spajamlag built an out jet too. No, sorry. What did you say? You need it where?
I can put it underground. I mean, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but I mean, we can put it right under the plant here if it's about player closeness, because doesn't it come into play? It's not detecting. It has to detect the player closest to it, right?
I can detect the player closest to a certain position, so like I'll just
Yeah.
super jam, like we don't need this extra bump out on the house. If you want to add it,
It's fine. Yep.
if you can make it look nice, it'll be fine probably. But it covers up a window down below.
Can I sign your question mark block? Do you have a question mark block? Where is your question mark block? And would you want me to sign it with my streamer name? Whose house is this? Who built this one? Was this one always here?
That's a blacksmith.
That's a real house. I didn't even realize.
Pretty sure. Yeah.
Yeah. There's the tree, hard snipe. You want to see how it plays? I'll walk through it real quick. The star is going to get some tweaks, but other than that, it's playable here. Run in. Okay, so you come into this first layer. You got to look around, find where you're going. Oh, there's a ladder. Come into this layer. You got to look around a little bit. Oh, there's a stairwell. Come up here. If you don't know what you're doing. Oh, I didn't know you could do that. You don't even need the... I'm breaking that, Cheppy. That's not supposed to be that easy. So, there's a top secret trap door right there. You can get up here.
Oh, I fell.
And then you come up here, you go in here. If you're not careful, you fall down there. I bet that's where Cheppy fell. Maybe not. And then you go up that ladder.
I'm outside of the tree when I was supposed to be on the top.
Nice, nice. And you climb up here. Ah! I fell too. It's just a little climbing puzzle. And you get up to the top. And you walk over here, and voila! There's a button. An ice skating pond. That's a good idea. You know what? I like that idea a lot. Because one of the buttons I wanted to put under the ice. I'm just trying to think of a good reason to do it. Or maybe like that's maybe where we put one of the discs. But that's a mini game that we haven't even talked about yet. Other than that, we'd like to do it. But yeah, we need more puzzles. We need more buttons first.
Is this all the room that I have, Spajamlek? Because I can just make it wherever else.
The question is what should the next puzzle be? I need puzzle ideas, guys. I mean, parkour is fun, but here we go. Hey, it's an iron golem. Iron golems are kind of shiny too. Not in the same way, but. A Sprite cranberry can. That'd be cool. As an item in the game. I got a wandering trader. I mean, it could just be as simple as find the button. Like, some of them could be that easy. These guys don't have beds. That's weird. Where do all these people sleep? This guy has a place to sleep, but it's small. Let's try this one. Nope. Do they all live in igloos? Is that the thing? Like in a snow village, does everybody live in an igloo? Oh, that guy doesn't. He must be rich. Hey, I never noticed the new elf skin's installed.
That?
Right? I feel like something's up with the hat, but maybe that's just because farmers look funny in the first place.
I don't know what's going on there.
Hey, Wolf Hunter. Welcome on in. Thanks for stopping on by. Thanks for the follow. We are building an adventure map that everybody will get a chance to play and enjoy and experience. And at the moment, I'm debating where our next... This house is very dark. Where our next house should be and what the puzzle should be for it. This is where my creativity fails me. Like, I want cool ideas, but I can't come up with said cool ideas. I don't play enough other Minecraft to, like, know what to steal, for lack of a better word, or what's even possible.
Anything is possible
You say that, Chuck,
until it's not possible.
until it's not. Let's see who lives in this house. No. Let's see. Yeah. Well, and we've made some really good progress tonight. I mean, we have our first 2 puzzles done. We've now got a majority of the programming in place for the initial area. I mean, as you can see, we've got textures, we've got RTX support loaded into the game, which is pretty cool. Not bad for 10 days worth of work. Like, I'm pretty happy with where we are. It's just I got to think. What could we do? I mean, would Santa have delivered a giant pile of presents somewhere, and we just have to find the button on the pile of presents? I don't know. Or do I need to expand all these houses? I just don't know. Thank you. Okay, let's use this house. We'll do another easy one. Bed. This will be a red bed. And then we need like a spruce. And we'll put a present there, and we'll put like a purple present.
Bye, Spajamlack.
Bye, have a good night. You play Minecraft on Switch? This will work on the Switch. You won't have RTX, but it will work as soon as it's ready. It is Switch compatible. We made sure of it. And button. You know what? I want to hide it just a little bit more than that. Maybe. Oh, I can't put it on a half slab. That's a bummer. Painting. Gotta do some decorating. Let's do that. And let's do, just for a little bit more light, trap door. There we go. Yeah, I think I'm okay with that. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's inadvertently not what I was going for, but I kind of like it. Maybe it's too much. Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, so that'll be button 3. Might be a little too easy, but I'm okay with that. Did I ever make a wreath? I don't think I did. Or I made a 2x2 wreath. I never made a 1x1 wreath, right? That's the...
You did on the door.
Yeah, let's put a door in. Why not? A door. Dark oak door. Nope, not dark oak door. Acacia door? There we go. Acacia door.
Button 1 is done.
Button 1 is done. Okay, so I'm going to come over there real quick. Let me figure out how to spell the word lantern first.
The next one is up here.
There's what? Did you get the one in the tree?
Yeah. No, not yet. The tree's the next one.
Yeah, I like that a lot.
Wait. Why did I get 2 points?
I don't know. You hate updates? What is it you hate about updates on the Switch? What does it do? I've never had a problem with them, per se. I mean, the kids don't like waiting for them, but... Only gave me 1. I pushed it twice.
Yeah, go push the button on the tree.
Okay. I now have 2. You somehow have 3.
I don't understand why that's happening.
Okay, hold on. I'll go push another button. Doesn't matter which button I push?
There must be a command block looking for that button somewhere. And it gives everyone... What? I don't remember doing that.
Is it maybe part of the cloner? Like, do we still have it on the platform out here?
I don't think so.
Is it by name? Like, how does it look for the button? Name, location?
I don't...
Is it by name or location?
Location.
So it's not about task 1 or whatever?
No. Someone must have put it in there. I didn't do this. Unless I did this in my sleep. I don't remember doing anything with this tree yet.
But how did you get it?
What do you mean, how did I get it?
Oh, wait. Is it possible that it's the same button? No? Are you able to tell where it's coming from?
I have no idea where it's coming from.
So somehow...
And like I don't understand.
Is it possible your other command block is grabbing it somehow?
It's in a different position. Here, you hit the button again.
Hold on 1 sec. I want to do tag JJDB list. I just want to see what I have. I only have timer, okay. So I push the button. Nothing happened. I'll push it again.
Okay, slash scoreboard. Players.
It is pretty sweet, Hard Snipe. It is
List.
pretty sweet.
Chapter 44. Present fixed 3 timer 1 is set to 2. Why is timer 1 set to 2? And how is it set to 2? Timer 1 is set to 2.
Did yours go to
What?
3 at the same time mine went to 1? Is it because I pushed the button after you had already pushed the button?
No, yours went to 3. Mine went to 3 when yours went to 2 when you hit the button on the tree.
Yes.
Yes, that's what happened.
But my point is, and did yours go to 2 when I hit the first one on mine?
No, mine went to 2 when I hit the button on the tree.
Oh. So somehow, what's the secret over here?
It's a thing in Spajama's basement.
Okay. Thing with NPC names is they show up everywhere.
Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. Scoreboard, players, set, Chappie 44, task 1 to 0.
Kind of want to turn this into a house. I think I will.
Okay, task 0 is set to 0. I hit that. I got a point, which is fine. It's now set to 1. Testing. That one's testing if it's 0. This one's setting it to 1. This one's adding 1 to my total. I go over here. Why is it now set to 2?
Is it possible it's checking too large of an area?
I didn't even hit a button.
Oh. That's a little harder to explain. How much light is too much light?
What? Now I hit the button, it doesn't do anything. Something funky's going on.
I think you have to start from 0. Personally.
I think I know what the issue is. I think I know what the issue is. Because I still have all the other command blocks tied to task 1 scoreboard. Man, this is the problem with having multiple copies of it.
Man, these guys really know how to pack it in there. Oh, that one. And that one. Wolf Hunter, we typically stream at 6 o'clock Central. So I'll just give you a quick rundown of our schedule in case anybody else new is watching. So we stream every day, generally around 6 p.m. Central. The exceptions are Friday night. We typically start a little late, so more like 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish, somewhere in there. And then on Saturday nights, we stream Among Us at 9 p.m. So tomorrow night, Among Us, 9 p.m. Central, instead of Minecraft. It's a lot of fun. We play with the community. And you're welcome to. ! Discord for announcements on like if times get changed or anything like that. That's where we post all that information. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. But yeah, have a great night, and be sure to check back and see how this this thing turns out.
Okay, I fixed it.
What was it?
It was the multiple command blocks. For when I was doing the prototyping.
polished. Where would they sleep in this situation? So I'm kind of just working on easy buttons at this point.
Oh, Bunny's on Mad Spike's stream on his sub server.
Ah, yes. Mad Spike does have a sub server going right now. Is Mad Spike live?
He is live.
Good to know.
Okay, should I do the next button in the tree?
Should you do the next button? Yeah, sure. Go for it. And why don't I come over there and join you in just a second here? Trapdoor. I can't do that.
I need your help to figure out what position that button is.
Yep, sure. On my way. Whee! You want me to just spam it?
In a second.
Okay. I'm standing here.
To find the command. Nope. Test for block. Here we go. Okay, so I know it's not 9, so I'm going to start with 6. Okay, go ahead. No.
Just jamming
Okay,
and spamming.
Number 10. You can stop.
Where are you putting this block?
I was thinking at the base of the tree.
I mean, that makes sense. I can't see you without the torch.
So this one's task 2.
Yep. Okay, so this purple block is checking for the button.
Yep, it's checking for the button in a certain position.
Yep. So then the green block, I'll wait for you to do your thing before I start messing with things.
Control Z. Oh well. X equals Y equals Z equals scoreboard players. How does this command work? Scoreboard players test. Test. So testing whoever's closest to the button if task 2 is within 0 and 0. Score 0
Can you
is
walk
within
over?
0. Okay.
No, you can't.
So this one I want to be conditional. Then I set up another one. That goes. Set it to.
One
Set it to
nine
1.
654. Okay, I'm gonna write this down. One, 3, 9, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 7. So I come down here and I click here. So I do 1, 3, 9, 4, 6, 4, 1, 1, 7. And how do you know? You said earlier that you knew that it wasn't a certain number. What number is? Is it based on the position of the button, like top
yeah,
left?
it's based on the rotation of the button.
Okay. So
and
what was the one in Spajamlack's house?
that is button position 9. So button position 9 is when it's on the ground
Okay.
and pushed.
So how do I? So I know you were having me, or were trying to help me. So if you come over here, you see there's a button right there.
Yep.
How
Do
do
you
I?
want another present to be there?
Yep. But but this is me learning. So
Okay. Okay.
so you had me spam the button. What happens when you spam the button?
So what I was doing when I had you spam the button, I was incrementing that number from 6 until I reached the command that succeeded and found the button in that position, in that state.
Okay. So can you start spamming that button for me?
Sure. Yes. All right. Spamming.
Okay, so for me, it's currently saying the block is cut sandstone expected polish. Do I have to like keep coming back to this block to get it to refresh?
I was doing it in the chat.
In the chat. Oh, you were just actually running the command.
Yeah, I was just running the command because I
Test.
didn't need to have it in a command block.
So you're doing test for block 1394, comma 65, comma 117, and do I have to do anything other than that? Yes. Polished.
Polished. I don't think you do dots. It's
No, I figured that out. Polished blackstone button, and then I'll just do 10 to start, even though I think it's 9. So that did not match the expected block state. Let's try 9. Successfully found the block at. So if you stop now and I do it again, did not match. But if you spam again, it's going to start matching again, right? Spam it again for me. Perfect. Okay. So 139465117, comma 9139465. So now, just for the sake of this, because I like to experiment, we're learning. Yes, good old command blocks. Hit the button again for me. So why didn't that do anything?
You need a comparator to test the output of the block.
Comparator to test the output of the block. I don't understand. But I'm probably... So I need a green one now?
Yeah. If you want to test the redstone output of the command block, like if it's succeeding or not, then you need a comparator.
Oh. Okay. So, but otherwise, the green one would be what's next in line, technically.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm understanding that. So I'm going to put that there. So then... Oh, I didn't do that right. I need to control click. Shift click there. And then I need to control click that. And I need to go click shift click there. And then I need to control click there. And then I need to shift click there. And now I'm just going to look at these real quick so I make sure I understand them. So scoreboard, player test. So this looks like the same position. So same numbers I used before. So 1, 3.
Change the coordinates in the blocks that you copied over to the ones.
Yep. So 6, 4, 1, 1, 7, and then this would be task 3, I presume.
Yep. Task 3.
And then the 0 stays 0.
Yeah, it's testing with if the nearest player score or nearest player within those coordinates score is within 0 and 0.
Okay. Okay, so that block looks good. Then I look at this block. Scoreboard player set, same thing. I got to change these chords again. 194 or 1394 65 117. Again, task 2 1. So that's the setting of it. We're going to change it to 1. And then this last one, scoreboard players add. Again, we're going to hit that same player, 139. So we update the scoreboard one more time, 65 Z 117 total 1. So this is adding one more additionally to their total.
Yep.
And that's everything, right?
That should be it.
Okay, so then we destroy the torch.
Except that didn't work for some reason.
That one gave me 20, so I probably set something wrong.
20? What?
Oh, yeah, it's giving me 20
Add
ticks.
total 1.
Probably because I set like a conditional wrong or something?
No. That is weird. Why is it giving you 20?
And it does it one at a time, so it does it one per tick the entire time
So
the
if you-
button is down. Is what it looks like.
What?
So I think it might be like a conditional thing.
Go over players, test.
You know, where it does the repeat or conditional.
Scoreboard set, task 1. Test. Test. Set. Oh, you still have. You didn't change it.
What did I not do?
The second command block it still says task 2.
Test 2. Oh, I didn't change it to 3?
Yeah, I just changed it.
Oh, sorry. I
No,
thought I
it's alright.
did.
Okay.
Thanks for the lore cards tonight.
Go ahead and hit the button.
Which one?
Any of them.
Here, I'm gonna
Hit
hit
it again.
I'm gonna hit it again. We're good.
Okay. How come I did not get one that time?
I also did not get the top one for the Christmas tree. I'm gonna go try the house.
Oh, you know, we're probably not listed under the scoreboard. Because we don't have a reset one. Hey, hard to snipe. Was they helping us before?
I think so.
Scoreboard. Players. Wait, I just have this command here. Task 2 0. Task 3 0. Task 1 0.
So this is all stuff that's gonna need to be added to the reset.
Yeah, the adding to the scoreboard is like the first setup type of thing. Where I hit the button. Okay, yes, now I get one.
Okay. So I can try again.
Yeah, go ahead, hit the star.
There's the star. Coming down.
I hit the star. I come over here. Should be able to get the button over here.
Show you in a second, Cheppy. Or Rich and Cheesy.
Sweet. Did you have another one in this blacksmith or whatever?
Yes, there's 2 other buttons that I've added to the game.
Oh yeah, I found one there. And dun.
So I'll show you what we've done, and we do need to. I do think we need to make it a little bit more explicit.
Yeah.
We'll do like a how to fix presents. Click buttons. So it'll be like sign. How to fix a present. Find and push button. That seems pretty straight. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I can't put it on that wall, right? Yep. How to fix a present. Find and push button. It should probably have it say in chat like you fixed a present.
Yeah, we can do that.
Yep, but we got a reset button. So then they leave the house and it goes like this. Hurry, find Santa. And then we come out here.
Wait, what? Why does it say hello?
I don't know. Somebody messed with the command block. Probably with the action bars. Wait. What?
Oh, yeah, I was working on that and then never finished it.
Oh, okay.
The command block doesn't work, so you just fly over the wall.
Okay. Fair enough. Go see Santa. Talk to Santa. He says something like, "The toys I've delivered were broken? How can this be? Christmas is ruined, and I am tired. Too tired to fix this problem. Maybe you could take my sleigh into town and fix all the broken toys before the good girls and boys wake up. I left the sleigh keys with Dasher. Give him a carrot, and I'm sure he will give them to you." So then we gotta go find a carrot. Oh, I should probably fix that now. Otherwise, it won't get caught later. Really? Oh. I don't want to have to hold the down back arrow, but I guess I have to. Too tired. No. Good enough for now. So then they come over here. And they attempt to find a golden carrot, which this needs to be built out now, but the mechanic is at least here. So we're going to come over here. And these aren't golden carrots, but we're in creative mode, so we'll just do this. Golden carrots. And then once we have the carrot, we have to go back to Dasher. We need to work on the road to Dasher at some point, too. So they come over here. Here's Dasher. Give Dasher carrot. Dasher gets us the sleigh. And actually, we should probably change the language. The sleigh's out front, prepped for you.
Yeah. Because that's just a single command block.
Yep. And then we get here. We push
Add
the
it to
button.
the list.
Yep. Will there be a hint to tell one that's what needs to happen? That's what Santa said. Santa said you had to go get a carrot to feed Dasher. Oh, are you talking about how to feed Dasher? Yes, I glossed right over that. There's also a hint for that.
That random chest will be a carrot farm.
Yeah, there'll be a carrot farm there. And there's a giant carrot floating over the farm. And then it becomes find the button, which is meant to be hard. So one. Wait. I don't think that worked. One. Oh, I bet it hasn't been reset. You reset my scoreboard, but not my tasks.
Here.
No, it's fine. It's okay.
You should work now.
I'll just do this one. Boom. Get the point. Nope, that one didn't work either.
What? I thought I just set this all to 1.
I did. I was doing the
Sure.
tree that time. I'm moving around too fast. That one worked. Bottom tree worked. Going up to task 3.
Oh, sorry, I reset it. All of your score. This did work.
Will there be
Yeah,
a
okay, I got
holiday
one
riddle? I
there.
would love a holiday riddle. Can we have a holiday riddle? We need more puzzles. But yeah, so it's a lot of find the button. At this point, we've got, I think, 5 buttons in the world. They're not hard to find. One of them's parkour maze. So, but it's getting there, slowly but surely. We got 10 days left.
Welcome back, Pornby.
Hello.
Yes, they are easy for me to find because I put them there. Nope. I mean, the hints are that they're attached to presents, so it's gonna be a scavenger hunt at that point. Ooh, maybe we give them a book that like details out where all 16 or however many buttons there are.
Yeah,
You
that
know.
would be good.
One at Mom's house, one under the tree, one in the stars, one underneath. Like, it doesn't have to be so dead on precise.
It could be a riddle book, or it could be just a hint book that they can use if they want.
Yeah. Easy mode. Take this hint book. Wait, Pixel Wave's in here too now? Also, there's no lights in here. Pixel, you gotta put lights in your house. Also, why is that glowing? Is there redstone right there? What is going on? Is it just coming through the wall? Oh, no, he's got a redstone torch right there. There is. There's a redstone torch right there. I was trying to figure out what that was. Ah, he's got gifts in here. It is Pixel Wave. Hello, Pixel Wave. How are you doing today? Looking good. There. How many buttons? I don't know. We've been trying to figure that out. I'm kind of hoping we get to like 10 to 15. That's kind of my target. 12. Ooh, 12 is always... 12 riddles. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. It has meaning. 24. 24 days of Christmas. I don't know. Like all the TV specials.
24 could be good. 16 could be good. 12 could be good.
8 crazy nights. No. That's Hanukkah. But who cares? It's holiday. It's the holiday hustle. Yeah, advent calendar. Hello. So, okay. So, I want to document the to-do list here because otherwise by Sunday night I will forget because tomorrow night is Among Us night. Also, was tonight supposed to be board game night? Is today Friday?
Just flake.
I thought
Today
so.
is Friday.
Did I flake? Was I given information on when board games were? Did anybody say what to do?
Emails.
Emails.
Whoops.
He never told me what to do. But I suppose in fairness, I maybe never replied to the December 11th email. I responded the first time. I said I'd be up for something. Let me know the date and time and what, if anything, I need to buy. I replied with that on December 3rd. And I also mentioned that there were 3 Discords that could be used. But I did not reply specifically to the December 11th question. So that's my bad. What was the December 4th email? Yeah, I did not reply to the December 4th email. That's my bad. Oh well. And I even loosely had it on my agenda. There was never a time, though. It was always just the date. Are you guys done already? I'm guessing? Or are you just starting? Facebook Messenger. I was never part of a Facebook group, so that's probably part of it. Yeah.
For those that responded.
Oh well. I feel bad. No, I know. I just feel bad. I would have liked to have played games. Even if it would have meant like having to delay the stream or not watch movies with my kids. Although I did watch Godmothered tonight, which was okay. It's not the world's most amazing movie, but it was pretty good. Not too bad. Tabletopia. What'd you play? I was going to do the to-do list. That's where I left off. So, get voice acting for Santa. Possible narration from kids. Villagers. I don't remember. Do I know? I feel like I met Rohan at a bachelor party, but I don't know if I know anybody else. Justin needs 4 points of contact to know what's happening. Yeah, that's true. Especially when I fry my short-term memory. See, I've already forgotten what we needed. We need to add or fix Dasher language. Build carrot farm. More puzzles. Fix reset button to reset all tasks. We need game over detection, but that can be done last.
More puzzles? Do you have that one?
Yep, I put more puzzles.
Decorations.
More buildings and decorations. We need lava, campfires.
I need a hint book or riddle book or whatever.
Riddle book. Possible discs. Santa's house and workshop done. Item frame texture removed. Man, we got how the list is supposed to get shorter every night, Cheppy. we've gone the wrong direction.
I mean, we never made the list to begin with. So, like, all the things we can check off is like, okay, we build Santa's house. We got the city going. We got paths. We got custom textures. We got the scoreboard working. We got the timer working. We
Yeah,
got
no.
the teleportation working. The track, the sleigh, custom models for the reindeer.
I want to be clear. We've gotten. I'm making it sound like we haven't got a lot done, but somehow we added more. Was there other so item frame, lava was not glowing, campfires wasn't glowing. Was there anything else that I ran into tonight that needs to be RTX that I'm blanking on? I feel like
Does the
there's
item frame make the item frame invisible?
yes. I feel like there was something else we wanted that I ran into, but added to RTX support. Okay, that's good list.
Oh yeah, make the railroad completely invisible at some point. That's a good one.
Rails. So yeah, we've got. So these won't be. Unpowered rails need.
Detector rails, activator rails. Just make all of them invisible.
Except regular rails.
Why not?
Because I like the snow.
Okay.
I put
Okay.
this texture. I put time and effort. I love this texture. This is great. It looks like the sleigh has gone over it. I don't. Maybe I'm
yeah.
crazy.
It looks out of place, in my opinion, because like you don't know what it is.
It doesn't look like sleigh track broken texture in the snow. No. You really want it invisible?
That's up to you. You could.
I think
No, it's up to you. It's up to you. If you like it, then we can keep it.
I don't know. You're making me question myself now.
Because like the sleigh's there. Has it gone off it already? So would there be marks in the snow? Or should it only be after the sleigh takes off?
Well, see, now you're just making it complicated. But you assume that it's Santa's runway. Santa came back already tonight, so it's been out. It's left tracks in the snow before, but the tracks don't continue. The stuff in the sky is what needs to go. Yeah, no, I'm with you. We need to make the white dots disappear at this point. So, okay.
Fix the sleigh texture. Would be another one to add.
Hold on, rails removed from texture. Okay, what is the sleigh problem? What did you do to my sleigh, Cheppy? Sleigh.
I didn't do anything to your sleigh. I thought you wanted to improve it.
I do, but I don't know what can actually be done. It's not
You
horrible.
could you could center it on the rail.
Oh, yeah, that'd be a good one.
Add the bottom.
It might be. I mean, if I make the rails invisible, it's a non-issue, but it might not be a bad idea to center the thing.
Oh yeah, I guess if it invisible doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it should at least. I mean, the rails, even right now, they don't line up with the tracks, so it should at minimum line up with the tracks.
The your little front bumper piece sticks out one side.
Oh yeah, that too. What do you know?
And the
I feel like the texture could be improved.
rails. Yeah, it just gets to be improved.
Yep.
I
Okay.
think you have to add the little 2-bar rail things you have to the minecart group because right now it doesn't tilt.
Oh yeah, yeah. I
Remember
noticed that.
uphill?
Like when it. Here, can I send it flying without the? Yeah, this part.
Yep. Yeah, they just stay.
Yeah, that's funny.
horizontal.
Shouldn't be that way. Okay. Okay. Oh, I love RTX. I really do. This is. It just looks. It looks so good. How's it going? Okay. You know,
It's
kind of
gonna
the,
be in the video game shop.
I don't know, video game stuff.
Is Matt Spike in the candy store? Yeah, he's in the candy store.
We should probably find, you know, this is gonna be a problem because there's gonna be some bias here, and I guess I'm okay with bias. But I'm gonna get a lot of flack if wait, who's guy in basement?
What? I think that's new.
I think so too. You guys are having too much fun.
I didn't do it.
I didn't do it. I'm sure Hardsnipe did it, but
Hey, have you visited Santa yet? Oh, you haven't? Well, you should. He lives up on the road in the big, nice house.
see, that's
Okay.
that's good video game stuff right there. That's helpful hints to get people where they need to go.
How do you get into the basement?
Yes. Well, this is true too.
Good work, Hard Snipe.
We can make the other people say stuff too. But what I was going to say is if we don't find... So now that we've managed to get Mad Spike, Beta 64, and Pixel Wave in here, do we need to start...
Pixel Wave is just a default NPC skin.
But the fact they're here...
Yeah.
Now, in fairness, Pixel Wave, Beta, and Hard Snipe have all shown up on stream while we've done this. In fairness. And maybe Mr. I already forgot his
Is
username.
Hard Snipe another FFL streamer?
Hard Snipe, are you I don't... Is he?
I don't know.
I'm
You just
losing
said
track.
Pixel Wave, Beta
don't think so.
64, Hard Snipe, and Mad Spike. I'm like,
Oh, I meant Mad Spike. Hold on. I'm going to go look. But now I'm going to feel bad if Hard Snipe is, and I'm completely missing it. I don't think he is. The members list just keeps growing, and it's getting overwhelming. Let's see. So Unsuppressible Z hasn't been here. J-Jock, Perotin, Mara, Streamdad, Ambicrum. Monkey, I don't think has been here yet, but he has stopped by once or twice. Kuya, I don't... Has Kua been here? Also like, they're both Minecrafters, Kua and Monkey. They wouldn't be the worst people to add into the game. Art of Mana has been here before, but it's been a while. Not while we've been building it. Bald Bearded Gamer, I don't think we've met here. Jabs has been here once. Mama is retired. Essie is Essie. She doesn't need anything else. Smirky Echan, all these people. Like, the question is, do we need to put everybody into the game now? And if so, is that on the to-do list? Like, get all of
that's
Family
more
Friendly
up to
live.
you.
I know it's more up to me. I Do they all live in Santa's village? Does the entire family friendly live? Are they all on the good list? and in Santa's village? I don't know. This is complicated. I don't want to play favorites, but what have we done? We've played favorites. Kind of.
Yeah, they could be people that give hints. I like that idea.
I do too. I like
But
it
like,
a lot.
we only have how many skins? NPC skins do we have?
20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
20.
14, 15.
I count 20. 5,
Yep.
10, 15,
20.
20. So we can't do everybody. There's only 20 skins.
We might even
We could repurpose villagers or something, but
we could probably add more.
actually that's a good question. Can you add more to the game?
Well, I don't know.
I don't know.
Somehow I'm sure we could figure
Hold
it
on.
out.
Now I need to know that too. By the time we're done with this, I'm gonna know way more than I ever intended to know about Minecraft, whatever it is, development. LMN. Okay, NPC is not in that folder because it's not there. 2009. No, that's not where we're 2000 resource pack, vanilla resource pack, entity, NPC entity, edit. Well, it shows, like I can see where all the textures are defined. I don't know what would happen if I added a 11. What, do you want me to find out?
I don't know.
Let's find out, just for the sake of it.
Yeah, if you want to, go ahead.
It's all about the challenge, right? We'll just do it on the dev copy that I've got. Holiday hijinks entity NPC. So I'm going to add another line here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to call it 11, and I'm just going to give it the skin of 2. That way I don't have to write any additional textures. I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to see what it does to the game. If it's already... We'll see if we now have 21 spots is the question. So... Entity, game mode. No, what am I... what's the command? Summon
NPC.
Hello, Mr. NPC. How you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, that's a good sign. One more? Nope, it didn't work. It did not work. Yeah, it did not work.
Oh, did you add a texture for
I
21?
reused the same one for NPC 2.
Oh, okay.
And it didn't add it there. So unless there's some other identifier which I'm not seeing, I don't see a way to do it. Hey Toy, welcome in. So yeah, I mean we can Google and figure out if there is some backwards way to add even more textures, but I think we might be capped at 20 with the NPCs. And then we could maybe get a few more out of the villagers if we wanted. But half these people probably don't have skins. Half these people probably don't know who I am. So I'm a little less concerned. But we probably should get David, Ben, Echan, Essie, Admiral Eggroll maybe, Kimball Donald maybe, Carl Dacius, Instafluff. I don't know, this list is growing. I love everybody. Hey Foot, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. I don't know.
Ninja Weasel.
Ninja Weasel. Yeah, Ninja Weasel definitely should have somebody. So we'll have to
Monkey?
Monkey DKS. Yeah, I don't know. Poor me.
I don't know.
Cheppy.
No.
I don't know.
So one thing I don't know how to solve at the moment is so when you
Let me go back to the other world.
when someone starts playing,
Mm-hmm.
right, and they say accumulate so many points, then they leave the server, the scoreboard still has them listed as player offline.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
Is
That
there
just might be one of the things that stays there. I don't know if we could like.
command block to detect player offline?
We could have it set up
Bedrock.
so like there's. I don't know.
There's a YouTube video on it. This allows you to remove offline scoreboards using command blocks. So instead of seeing player offline when a player leaves,
But like, I don't want to lose their progress, right? It's like if there's some way we could.
well, where do we spawn back in? Are we spawning back in? We're not spawning back in at the starting point either, are we?
No, you just spawn back in wherever you exit.
Yeah, it's perfectly okay, Hard Snipe. Can you join? So
As long as it's family friendly.
Yeah, as long as it's family friendly, Heart Snipe. So here's the deal. Let me give you the rundown and the lay of the land of what's going on. So, welcome in. We have 3 realms that are all Bedrock Edition, and we have 1 Java server. All of them are accessible to the public, but there are different rules to get into them. But 2 of them you can get in right away. So let me just talk through this. emcot is our Java server. It's emcot.world is the server IP. It is free. It's Java 1.16.4. It's got a number of mods. It's got a Skyblock server, which, man, I haven't been on the Skyblock server in a while. I should probably go do that too. So, yeah, emcot.world if you're a Java player. If you're a Bedrock player, the best place to start is at this link right here. That is our Anarchy server. You're welcome to do whatever you want there, build whatever you want, play it in survival. You can ask for creative. It's kind of a little bit of everything. People do whatever they want there. All we ask is that you keep it family friendly. The second realm that we've got is the Stream realm, which is kind of our ongoing survival world realm. That's where I like to play normally. If I'm not playing on emcot. And if that's what you're interested in, it is, 512 channel points at the moment or something like that down at the bottom, the pretzel rewards. So you just need 512 pretzel points to join the realm. The last server, and the one that I am currently on at the moment, is our development server for the adventure map. And right now, so this is our giant adventure project. And at the moment, I'm only letting people in that I trust. Mostly because I don't I want to know you've been in the community and that you're helping us towards this project. That you know what the project is, that you're not just showing up to drop TNT on everything. And so what I'd ask is, if you want to do that, join our Discord. Maybe let us know how you want to be involved in helping with this map and in the Realm channel. And then hang out a night or 2 with us, kind of like you're doing right now. Let us get to know you a little bit. Again, it's nothing personal. We've just been burned a number of times where if we let people into certain worlds too fast, we end up with TNT, and that just slows us down. It doesn't stop us. It just means we have to go reset and get a backup or something of that nature. So hopefully that all makes sense. Again, we love playing with viewers. We're not trying to exclude anybody. We just ask for a little effort to get into the main worlds. And then the other ones, though, are available for you to play right away. There are a lot of people that play on them. I don't know what they've got going on in the creative or in the Anarchy realm at the moment, but Mumbo is available there a lot of the time as well. So, we did good, Cheppy. Good work tonight.
Thanks.
Yeah, we've got some really great progress in place. So we got a list. We got a list of things to do. And time is running out, to say the least. So I think what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna raid Mad Spike, assuming he's still streaming.
He's
Unless
streaming with Storm.
He is.
Yeah. Let me go look at his stream real quick and just see who else is streaming. He's playing Minecraft and Fall Guys, so he's doing the split screen thing at the moment too, which is perfectly good with me. So we'll give him a raid. We'll give him a little bit of a hard time if we see Strawberry there, only because we need Santa's house finished. No, I'm just a little bit of a hard time. Otherwise, we'll be back tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Central Time for Among Us. Be here early if you want to be somebody who's playing with us, because slots fill up fast. Rich and Cheesy, I'd love to play Among Us with you again tomorrow night if you're able to join us. I'm hoping Rossi is there, Cheppy, Poor Me, Kale Forthwind, the entire gang. If you want to play some Among Us, especially, did the new map drop already or no?
I don't think so. That would be impressive.
Well, they announced it last night. When does new Among Us map drop? I don't know exactly when it drops, but the airship is coming early 2021. Never mind. So it won't be tomorrow. In any case.
Carl Dacius just raided.
Yep, Carl Dacius just raid. We're going to crash Carl Dacius's raid. With that, have a great night, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow for Among Us. Night all.
Bye-bye.
Sorry, I didn't wait that time. My bad.
I don't care. It's all right.
The timer was running out on the raid.